Hello everyone and good morning. Guys, it's a live interactive sessions. You all can unmute, you all can talk with me. But be on mute whenever required. You have to raise a hand and we will talk with each other and we'll discuss on the Docker and Kubernetes. I hope agenda is very clear for everyone. Please confirm me into the chat box. Everyone, cool. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Guys, I'm sharing my screen. Okay. And you have seen this poster, and because of this poster, you all are here. Say yes or no. You can unmute and talk with me as well. Say yes or no, please.
Yeah.
Right? So, what exactly the agenda for today? We have to understand what exactly the Docker, what exactly the Kubernetes is. Out of this two topic, how many people are already aware what exactly the Docker or what exactly the Kubernetes is? How many people are already aware? Can you please raise your hand? Or confirm into the chat box whatever you know. Docker up to which level? Docker up to which level? Rate yourself out of 10 in the Docker. Please, everyone. Docker 4. Okay. Out of 10, guys. My question is out of 10. Okay. Cool. Okay. Some people are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. Cool. No worries. Okay. After this session, even in the today only, you are all, whatever the rating you are giving, okay, it will reach to 5 to 6 or more than 6. Please, but you have to bear with me. What's your rating in Kubernetes? Just type Kubernetes, just type what's your rating into the Kubernetes out of 10. 0. Shivam is telling 0. Manjuna 0. Okay. Cool. Okay. So many people are telling 0, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cool, guys. Trust me, after this session, you will cover up at least 20 or 30% of the Kubernetes in the today's session. So you have to give me your precious time and definitely I will help you out and I will try my best to teach you the Docker and Kubernetes in the today's session itself. Cool. Okay. Do you know who we are? Who I am? Do you know me? No. Do you know the Cloud DevOps community? We are the community which has 58,000 members in our Facebook group. If you will come to our Facebook group, this is our community, and the intention of this community is if you are a beginner, if you are into the IT, if you are want to come into the IT, or you are up to the 4 to 10 LPA package, we are helping or we will help you out to make you the professional into the cloud and DevOps engineers. And your package will be double and triple definitely with the help of learning, guidance, and the community support. And this community, we are running from the 2012 and the current count is 58,000 members in this community. Guys, how much is the count? Can anyone repeat it?
58.
58,000. Yes, 58,000 members like you are here. Okay. And I'm inviting you all. If you are not in our Facebook community, please join this community so that what will happen? Guys, is my voice is not very clear? Some messages are showing that voice is not clear. Can you confirm my voice is very clear, not clear? Clear.
Voice is clear, clear.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. And what we are doing in this community, we are running some practical challenges. Okay. We are doing the practicals. We are learning the top 10 DevOps tools. We are learning the top cloud services as well. This is the thing which we are learning. And if you will see the post, people are doing the Java project. Okay. People are doing the GitHub repository creation and so many posts. If you will see every day, people are doing the CI implementation. Lot of things are happening. How this thing is happening? Because I am the person who are helping them, who are teaching this all things, and after teaching what is happening, definitely they are able to understand, they are able to digest, and they are able to make the things in the public form as well. This is what we are doing it. Okay, cool. So you will be a part of this community. I'm inviting you. And guys, whatever, if any of the technical issue from today you will face, post it here. If you will post it here, definitely we are 58,000 members and we will help you out. If you are looking for a job, if you are looking for a job change, if you want to upskill, you want to learn, then definitely you can be a part of this community so that you can ask the referrals as well. If you need any referral, we will help you out to get the referral, because this 58,000 members, out of this 58,000 members, we can say minimum 1,000 different company people are here. Guys, yes or no? Yes, no,
Yes.
right? Minimum 1,000 or 2,000 people, company people, employees, HRs are here, and everywhere the opening or DevOps is very high. Peace. Okay. Guys, some people are telling voice is low. Guys, I think there is no option from my side to increase the volume. It's from your side you have to increase the volume. Please. Cool. Okay. Nice. So, and we are here. We have an Instagram as well. We have a YouTube channel as well. In our YouTube channel, I will show you. Okay. I will show you what we are doing. In our YouTube channel, if you will come to the community option, we are daily playing the quiz. Okay. Daily playing the quiz means, if you will see here, every day, one technical question is coming here. In one technical question, students are giving the answer and immediately they are getting the answer. These questions are started from very basic level to the certification level. If you have a plan, guys, is really my voice is not very clear, or one or two persons?
It's
It's clear,
clear.
sir.
It's clear, right? Guys, it's very clear. Okay,
It's clear.
cool. Thank you. So guys, what exactly, this is our WhatsApp community. This is our WhatsApp community. This is our YouTube community. In our community, we are playing the quizzes. So if you will see here, people are giving the answers here. Okay, people are giving the answers. If I will tell you to give the answer, what is virtual machine? What is virtual machine? Everyone knows, but very basic level, so everyone knows. When the level reach to certification level, is that possible? You will able to give the answer. So what you say? We have to start from the basic and slowly we have to increase the level. Are you agree with my point? Yes, no,
Yes.
everyone, right? If I will directly start with the certification level question, you will able to give no. But if I will ask daily questions with you, okay, for the next, we have a plan of 1,000 questions to be published. Okay, and we have already started this in our social media platform. So you can be a part of this group as well. And if you want to give the answers now also, you can take, I will give a 2-minute time to give one or two answers at least. Okay. Are you ready to give one or two technical answers by now? Okay, guys, I'm giving this link. This is our YouTube community link. You can have a look. Okay, you can come here and don't take the tough question right now. Okay, you can come little bit down and take the question number 501 or 502, please. Okay, come to question number 501 and 502 and try to give the answer, please. So that what will happen? At least you will get to know that how much you are aware already. I'm giving a 2-minute time. I'm giving a 2-minute time to give at least 2, 3 questions answer. Is that okay for everyone? Yes, no. And guys,
Yes.
if you will subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get one question every day. And in the next 200 or in the 2024 only, you will able to cover up the 100 questions at least. Okay, please do that. Okay, I'm giving a 1-minute time. Okay, for everyone, and whoever is done with the 1, 2 questions, please let me know that done. Okay, you have only 1-minute time, 1 minute 30-second time, please. Okay, and at least give the 1 or 2 questions answer, please. Anupam is telling done. Guys, at least 2 to 3 questions, please. Go ahead, go ahead. Done. Okay, good. At least 2 to 3 questions, please. We have a 1-minute time. Good. If you're done, go for the next question. If you're done, go for the next question. So what will happen? At least you will get to know that how much you know. Please. Go ahead, please. This is very basic, guys. But after 30 days, the level will be very high. So start with basic and go to the higher level. Cool. I can see lot of people are able to see, lot of people are able to done. Good, very good. Cool. Okay. And let me check. It was 103 earlier. Let me refresh it. And how much it's now? 111 means 6 to 7 people has only given the answer, man. If 6 to 7 people will only give the answer, 6 to 7 people will only get a job. Correct? So I am giving this link. Okay. No need to do live. You can take your time after these sessions. You can give all the answers. Okay. And if you will subscribe our YouTube channel, definitely 8,000 members are here. Okay. 158 YouTube videos are there. All videos are taken care by me. So please, if you will
Excuse
subscribe,
me, sir.
jump through.
Sir, I'm having a doubt. Like in the question number 5 and 12, you have asked.
Mm-hmm. Doubt, you can make the comment there, buddy. I will help you out in the comment. Is that okay? Whatever is your doubt, put the comment on the question.
Okay.
Cool. Okay, because
Actually, I am confused with the
it's okay.
options. You
It's okay. It's okay. You can put the comment. Okay. We will help you out. No need to worry. Okay. Guys, yes, 8,900 subscribers are here. Okay. Like you, the learners are here. Cool. Thank you. So now come to the agenda. Okay. Yes, we do have a very big community over the social media as well. If I will ask you very basic question, the learning will happen alone or in a group? Yes, what you say? The learning will happen into the group or alone. If you feel alone, just type A into the chat box. If you feel group, just type group. What do you say? Okay. Some people are telling groups, some people are telling alone. Okay. Chalo. As 60% or 70% people are telling group. Okay. Yes, some people are telling both. Yes, both is possible, guys. Learn from group and run alone. Is that okay? Learn from group and run alone. That's the better approach, I feel. Okay. So yes, one of the student has told this answer both. Who is that person? Mayuri. Yes, your answer is absolutely, I agree with your point. Okay. So guys, but what will happen if we will learn into the group? People will motivate you. Whatever the doubts will happen, it will get solved. If you're alone, if you think that I'm not able to do it, I'm getting any technical issues, do you think that you will able to you will able to survive, or you will able to perform the work, or you will able to solve the issues, every technical issue alone? Possible? Guys, say yes or no into the chat box. If you are alone, if you face any of the technical problem, is that possible you will able to solve? No, guys, practically not possible. Technical things looks simple in the starting, but in some couple of days, in couple of months, if you will be into the 30 lakh package, 40 lakh package, 50 lakh package, okay, if you will be into the good technical stuffs, if you are alone, you will be a very struggle person. Okay, you have to be a group, you have to be in a part of team, so that team will help you out. There may be reason, guys, if a small minor semicolon at the end of the program will trouble you full day. Agree? Dot in any of the, or extra space in any of the program or any of the code will kill your full day. Are you agree? Yes, no? Yes, no?
Yes.
Right? So if you are alone, you will not able to see the space. If you are alone, you will not able to see the semicolon. Okay, so the good solution is be a part of group. So we are creating a small WhatsApp groups. Okay, and our small WhatsApp groups is like this. Okay, I will show you. Okay, if you will see this WhatsApp group, same whatever the example I took taken in couple of seconds back, the same example or same thing happened. One of the student, Paramveer, he was telling, I am facing the problem while accessing the output Nginx web page. I have run the container. He did all the technical stuff, but he was getting 403. You know what was the problem? Can you guess it? Can you guess what was the problem? The problem was spelling was incorrect. D double O. Guys, got my point? Yes or no? This is the real-time problem happen in my current batch. Okay, this is the message which came yesterday. Okay, so what happened if you are alone? You will full day you will struggle with the help of dot, semicolon, spelling mistakes. But if you are into the group, there are so many problems who will help you out. Thanks brother is working now. So this is what we are creating a small groups, and people are learning. See, we are providing the certification level things as well. And people are, see, if you get the fail, take this code. People are getting, this is the amount and 50% I got, I'm planning to give the AWS solution architect certification. People are learning from the basic and going to this level. If they will reach into this level, what is the solution? What at the end they will get? At the end, what they will get? Just tell me. If they will learn the things, at the end, what they will get? Answer. Some people are telling job. Okay. What else? Solution architect, knowledge, role. Okay. What else?
Experience in
Experience. Okay. What else? What else? Yes, think. What you will get? Package, higher package job. Okay. From the non-technical to technical. And yes, this is the result. Okay. If you will see here, why this congratulations, full people are doing the congratulations, because after learning the knowledge, they are getting the job and they are getting the offer letters as well. This is what we are making. This is what we are doing. Clear? Yes, no? Guys, getting my point? Are yes, no, please. People
Yes.
are
Yes.
getting the job.
Yes.
Okay. Because if you will learn, definitely. If we will learn, definitely we will able to get the job. Okay. And we will get the higher package job. If you will be into the this technology, you will be into the higher package job. That's it. Okay. Chalo. Now come to the actual point. We have to be into the group if we want to run faster. Yes, you can be self person as well, but help is always required from the group. Help is always required from the community. Agree? Yes, no? Yes, no?
Yes.
definitely yes.
Right? Cool. Thank you. Cool. Chalo. Now let's
Yes,
come
sir.
here. Cool. Okay. Chalo. Now what exactly the topic? Now come to the topic. Okay. The topic is very straightforward, Docker and Kubernetes. If I will ask the question with you, what is Docker? Can you give me the answer? What is Docker? Whoever feel that I'm a confident, I'm eligible for 10 lakh, 15 lakh package, unmute yourself, come up with the camera and give the answer. We would like to listen from you guys first. Go ahead. Give me the answer. What is Docker? Simple question, guys. Roshan is raising the hand. Yes, Roshan, go ahead. Unmute yourself and give the answer, please. Answer is already written on your screen, but give the answer. What is Docker?
So as my point of view, Docker is a container where we can store.
Docker is not a container. Docker is not a container. Docker is a container building tool. Chalo, continue.
So this is a single repository to store for particular application code and their API and their database.
No, not a satisfied answer. No. What else? Anyone else?
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible,
Hello.
Dhruv. Yeah, Dhruv, you
Yeah.
are audible.
Yeah, Docker is it is a virtual machine in their way we create an image by through image we at the image we will going to make a container their entire software what version we use end to end will be there through that anyone can use that if we want to make it private or public we will share it and there
Manju,
it will going
Manju,
to be help in version control also.
Manju, I feel you know the answer, but your interview level definition is not good. You know
Yeah,
the answer, right? But in the interview, if you will give the answer like this, interviewer will not shortlist. Anyone else who will be the good in the answer? I need a perfect answer. Guys, come up with the camera. Don't hide yourself.
Hello.
Don't hide yourself.
Hello.
Dhruv. Yep. Go ahead, Dhruv.
So according to me, Docker is an app which allow you to containerize your application and run on multiple instances, irrespective of the location and irrespective of the device. It eliminates the problem of it only work on my machine.
Okay, chalo. I accept your answer. Somehow this answer is means if you will give
Oh,
this answer,
hello.
wait. If you will give this answer, 5 lakh, 6 lakh package, you will get it. But I want you to reach to 20 lakh, 30 lakh. Yes, go ahead. Next person.
Hello, can I say?
Arey, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Don't waste the time.
Okay. So Docker is basically a technology with which we can create a containerized application.
Correct. Superb.
Containerized
Guys, this
application
answer is
means
correct. With the help of Docker, we can create a containerized application. Okay. With the help of Docker, guys, now my turn. Okay. With the help of Docker, we can build, we can run, and we can ship any of the application into the containerization technology. Guys, this is the grooming technology in 2024, 2025. Are you agree with my point? I know you know that's why you are sitting here. Yes, no. Yes, no.
Yes.
yes, yes.
Cool. Chalo. Now, another question. Simple question. What is this logo? What this logo look like? What you are able to understand with this logo? Answer.
Shape
It's a
of
whale
container.
type.
Shape of container.
It's a ship who is taking multiple containers over them and moving from one place to another. Right? Yes or
Right.
no?
Yes,
So
yes.
what Docker can do? Docker will build this containers or image. First, the image will be built, and with the help of image, what is the command we have to use to make the container? Contain image to container. What is the command?
Docker run.
Docker run. Only one person is giving.
Docker
We are 100, but only one person is giving the answer. Means 99 people.
Sir, to build the image, we
Docker
have to
run.
put Docker images.
Wrong answer, Mayuri. Wrong answer. Guys, be on the chat. Be on the chat. When I'm asking the
Hello.
question,
Hello.
wait. Dhruv, please maintain the discipline. Guys, if you know the
It
answer,
was
write
not me.
into the if you know the answer, write into the chat box. Please, everyone. If you know the answer, write the answer into the chat box. If you are very confident, then give the answer into the unmute. Okay. Cool. So what exactly this image says? This image is a whale, look like a whale. It's picking the containers over him, multiple containers, and move from one place to another. That is the use of Docker. What exactly the normal definition? With the help of Docker, we can build, we can run, we can ship any application with the containerization technology from one place to another with the help of tool Docker. Simple definition. Now come to the point, Kubernetes. At least you have to be aware about definitions, guys. Please. What is this logo look like? What is this logo look like? Go ahead. Guys, be confident and give the answer. What is this logo look like?
Steering.
Steering. Okay. The steering of a
Spider
ship.
nest.
Whale.
Steer wheel of ship.
Wheel of ship. Okay. Or steering of a ship. Who is the ship here? Docker is a ship. Right? Yes or no? Docker is a ship. To maintain multiple Dockers, we need this logo or this tool. The tool name is Kubernetes. Why the Kubernetes is coming into the picture? Why? Give me the answer. Why the Kubernetes is coming into the picture? Why Kubernetes is a booming or grooming technology? Give me the answer.
Because we need the orchestration of the container.
Good. Kunal, come up with the camera, please. It will be helpful. Okay. Guys, what Kunal says, can anyone repeat it? What Kunal says, can anyone repeat?
Automation of containers.
Okay. But still, the right answer is pending, guys. Still, the right answer is
It is the
pending.
same time, automation of containers, multiple containers at the same time.
Okay.
Hello.
But still, the correct answer is pending.
It is required for the orchestration of containers.
Okay, correct. Why the orchestration is required? We can do the orchestration with the help of Docker as well. Why this is required?
Containerization.
Guys, think it, you are sitting into the
To
interview.
avoid manual process.
Chalo, I agree with this answer, to avoid manual process. What manual process? Because see, if you will give one answer into
Like
the interview, wait. If you will give one answer into the interview will ask the next question. Agree from that point. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Right, and we have to prepare why this thing is happening. Okay, if we know all these why answers, we will able to crack the scenarios also. Okay, so basic is very important, guys. Basics are very important. If your basic is strong, you will able to crack the scenarios. And guys, trust me, in the interview, if you will give 5 correct answers, you will be into the your offer will be in your hand. 5 correct good answers you have to give. Interview will ask, see, if you will give the good answers, interview will ask 5 to 10 questions only. Yes or no? 10 question, 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Yes, no?
Yes.
Right? Almost every company interview will be of 10 questions, max 15. Okay? Max 1 hour, one round. Okay? 2 or max 3 rounds. That's it. Okay? Some company has 1 round policy also. Okay? Good. Now, still the answer is pending. One more answer is I will take, otherwise I will give the answer. Why the Kubernetes is coming into the picture? Why?
It can automatically scale up and scale down the containers based on the scripts we have provided.
I agree with your answer. Okay. But guys, with the help of Docker, we are creating the containers. 10 container, 20, 100, thousands. Okay. Do you know Netflix is one of the organization? Yes or no?
Yes.
Netflix is running on the Kubernetes, Docker and Kubernetes. Can you guess how many
Yes, sir.
containers will be available in the Netflix application? How many containers? Write answer into the chat box. Let's see. Can you write the answer into the chat box? 1,000 plus. Okay. What about others? 10,000. Okay. What about others? 10,000. Okay. What else? Millions. Okay. Chalo. I'm going to the Google and I'm checking this answer. Okay. It is telling Netflix launched millions of containers per week. Guys, millions of containers per week. Is that possible? You for Docker, we have to run all the manual commands. For Docker to manage any of the container to perform any of the activity on the Docker, we have to run the manual commands. Is that possible? You can run the millions of manual commands. Not possible, guys. Impossible. Are you agree with me? Just write agree into the chat box if you are agree with me.
Yes.
We can't run the manual commands. I can say that we can't run the 100 manual commands also. We can't run 100 manual commands. I can't run. I have a 15 years of experience, but I can't run 100 manual commands. Not possible. Are you agree with my point? Are you agree, everyone? Right? If I will run 100 manual commands, at least 30 to 40 mistake I will do. Yes or no? We are a human being. Agree? We will do the mistakes.
Yeah.
Right? If we will do the mistake, our application will get affected. Do you want our applications to be get affected because of the human being? No. Okay. So the solution came with the help of Docker. You can build the container. If the container count is more than 10, 20, or 100, we need an orchestration tool or we need a management tool. Which tool? Container management tool. Management equal to orchestration. We need a container management tool, and with the help of Kubernetes, we can able to achieve this. So what is the answer? Kubernetes is a container orchestration tool. Are you agree with my point? Guys, I am telling two definition now. Docker, with the help of Docker, we can build, run, or ship any application in a containerized form. We can develop the container, we can build the container, we can ship the container or image from one place to another with the help of tool Docker. If the container counts is more than 10, 15, 20, or if number of counts of the containers are high, then we need a container management tool. What container management tool? Kubernetes is a container management tool which will help into the management, deployment, scaling, automations at the same time for thousands or lakhs of container with the help of single command. Getting my point? Yes, no. How much you understood? 10%, 20%, 50%, 90%. Give the answer into the chat box. If you understand 100%, well and good. Give me the answer into the chat box. 90%. Priyanshu has understood. Guys, how much percentage you understood? Anupam is telling 40%. Anupam, what happened? Why some people are getting 100% and why you are getting 40%? Good. I get an answer around 80 to 90% or 100%. Most of the people get it. Guys, so this is the high level definition. Okay. Now, I have one more question. Why the Docker came into the picture? Why? Anyone here who knows this answer?
The advantage of virtualization.
Okay. Chalo.
May
Yeah, go ahead.
May I?
Go ahead, guys.
So because when developing an application, the problem arises that the dependencies required in one machine weren't being able to run on another machine.
Okay.
So we required a method.
Okay. Anyone else? Guys, anyone give the some answer which should you have to give into the interviewer? Interviewer will say, I need this person. I need this person in my team. You know, interviewer fights when the person got hired. Interviewer fights that I need this person in my team. And you have to prove yourself in that way that interviewer has to fight for you that I need this person in any of the package. Whatever is the current package, give 20%, 30% hike, 40% hike, and I need this person in my team. So you have to give the good answers. Yes, no.
I'm
Yes.
audible, sir.
You are audible. Guys, are you agree with my point? Yes, no?
Yes.
If you will impress to the interviewer, then only interviewer will select you. Then only interviewer will give the your choice package. If you will not able to give the proper answer, you are not up to the mark. You are just wasting your time. You have wasted your 2024. You will waste your 2025 if you are not a good answerable person. Doesn't matter what's your current package. Doesn't matter what's your experience. But basics answers should be very good or very smart. Yes, no. Yes, no. Right? Chalo. I have a one very basic, simple question, guys. Very basic. Is that possible that millions of virtual machines can be developed? Answer should be yes or no.
Yes.
Possible, yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Guys, write the answer into the yes or no into the chat. Millions of VMs can be created. Answer should be yes or no. Only. Very simple. With the help of automation, we will create with the help of automation. We will use Terraform, and with the help of Terraform, we will able to develop it. Agree. But the situation or tweak is here. If Netflix will create millions of virtual machine, guys, Netflix company is a profitable, and within a 2 days, the Netflix will be sold out. Are you agree? Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes.
Because billing will come, amount will come. Right? So not possible, guys, not possible. We can't develop this many containers. We cannot develop this many virtual machine. No, never think about this. Whoever is telling yes, you are wrong. Right? For a small activity, 10, 15, 20, 100, 200 servers is okay. 200 VM is acceptable. More than 200, your billing will be very high. Cloud provider will take your full profit. Agree? Yes, no. Guys, if anyone is not agree, defense with me. You are 100, I am alone. You are 100 technical person and I am alone. Are you agree with me or not? Yes, no, please. It's 100 out of one thing. Okay, cool. Now, practically, guys, we cannot. The simple thing, we cannot run the Netflix like application in the virtual machine. Not possible. Okay, so we need this type of infra, and which is a very
मैं भी
proper.
लगा रहा हूँ भैया अच्छा अच्छा तुम्हारा
Because what all things we have to learn into the Docker and Kubernetes. For the Docker, guys, this is one image. How many people are able to understand this image? How many percentage? 10%, 15%, 20%, 30%, 90%. Give the answer into the chat box. How much percentage you are able to understand this image? Trust me, guys, if you understood this image 80% with practicals, you are into the very good shape. If you know this much, your package will be 30 lakh. Straightforward. 70% Mayuri is telling good. Mayuri, you are able to do all this activity with practicals in the real time with some use cases. Mayuri, good, very good, Mayuri. What about others? What about others? Chalo, Mayuri, if you are Mayuri and Manjunath is telling 100%, 100%. Mayuri and Manjunath, both the persons, you have a 1 minute time. Can you explain this image? Go ahead. And I will help you out to get the 30 lakh package. Please explain me. Mayuri and Venkatesh. Yeah, Manjunath, go ahead. Yes.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Manjunath, I want you to be on the camera. Please come up with the camera and give me this answer. Explain it. Fast. Manjunath, fast. We have only 1 minute to understand this. Go ahead. Yes, Manjunath.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, traditional virtual machines were taking.
No virtual machine. Directly come into the Docker.
Okay, Docker. First we're going to we can take an imagination of a ship. Take it as imagination of ship. First, we're going to build an application using Docker build. We're going to build
Manjunath, be a point. Be on the point. Okay. Think that 100 people are listening you. Okay. Don't waste 100 people time. Be very smart. What is this? Chalo, I will ask the question in a simple way. What is this?
That is a file.
Which file?
Docker application.
Docker file. Docker file. Okay.
Yeah.
What is inside? Guys, now I'm me and Manjunath only. Okay. What is the use of this Docker file?
It is creating a Docker file of an application.
What is written inside it? A simple answer. What should be written into? Guys, everyone written into the chat box. If you know the answer, write into the chat box. What is written inside it?
Code.
Manjunath, you are not up to the mark. Any other person? Go ahead. Give me the answer. What is written inside it?
Comments.
Comments. Wrong answer. No.
Sir, can I explain?
Go ahead. Come up with the camera. No need to ask. Come up with the camera and give the answer. Yes, Dhruv.
So it's a Docker image example which is trying to run a code which is based on .NET. It is like it is getting the .NET SDK from the Docker Hub and creating a working directory.
Dhruv. My question is Docker file. Okay.
Okay.
Docker file is a text. Chalo, my turn. Okay. Docker file is a simple text document file which is written or where the set of commands has to be written inside it, where one base image will be there. In this base image, some set of instruction will be there, and step by step it will build and it will create an image. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
What exactly the Docker file? Docker file has a set of instruction written to build the image. If this code is written and run the build command, image will be get created. What is the use of this image? It's a application. Yes or no? It can be
Yes, sir.
it can be Python, it can be Java, it can be anything. Okay. The application is ready. If you only run the command, Docker run command, image will become a container. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you know this thing, well and good. We can save this image into the Docker Hub where artifact location is there. We can pull the image with the help of Docker pull command and we can get the image again. And the image will be created as a container, and this container can be run in any of the environment. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Mayuri, you are not giving the answer. Only yes sir will not help. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right? Cool. Wait, guys, wait. Okay. If this container is developed, Mayuri, give me the answer. If this container is developed, how come it will run on AWS, Azure, GCP, or any other platform? Why? How come?
The container will be stored onto the container registry on the whatever cloud platform we are using, and after that we can just download the image from the container.
Okay, because in this container, operating system or what operating system or base operating system is already available inside it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Base operating system is already available. If this base operating system is already available, it can run in any of the platform. Guys, now the question is, if I have 100 of containers, I can manage with the help of Kubernetes. Is this Kubernetes will be same in AWS, GCP or Azure, or it will be a different? Answer is same or different in the chat box, everyone. Everyone. Guys,
Although it is same, but the naming convention is different.
naming and little bit feature wise different, pricing was different, and basic features was different. Rest 90% or 60% is same. I can say this, which Kubernetes have you used in your real time in your company? Azure, AWS or GCP? Three options. Which one you have used in your company? Guys, everyone, if you're not used, say no, I have not used. No use, okay, not use AWS, Azure, okay, cool. Chalo, I have a very simple question, guys, very simple basic question. Who developed this Kubernetes? Who developed this Kubernetes? Who developed this Kubernetes?
Google.
Yes, Google. When it was developed by Google? When? How many years back?
22.
Guys, I am telling you.
2014, I guess.
Correct. 2014 is the correct answer. Guys, do you feel that you are 90 people? If you will go and give the interview, you will able to crack it? Do you feel like that?
No, sir.
No, right? Very basic. Is I am asking the tough questions? No, guys, still the level is up to 5 lakh package only. If you're planning to get the 5 lakh package job, still some people are not up to the mark. Only 5 lakh. But my intention is used to, my mission is to reach you up to 25 LPA. And from my mission, guys, you know, already thousands of people already get 25 LPA package. I already helped more than 1,000 people who already get 25 lakh package as well. And I want you to be a part. 80 people are here, right? Out of 80, I want you to reach double package at least. When you want to achieve this? What is my mission for making your package double? When? Can you guess it? In 2024 itself. Still, we have a 2 months of time. Are you agree? Yes or no? 2 months, 10 days are time. Means still 190 or what we can say, 70 days are left. Yes or no? In 70 days, guys, if you will learn the things, your 2025 will be of your double package. If you will start from today only, then 1st January 2025, your package will be double. If you will not start by today also, in 2025 also, we will meet again in the free workshop and we will be in the same situation. Yes, no? Yes, no. Right? So take action, learn the things, please. Okay? This is a very basic image. We have to be aware, guys. I will take care of everything, but don't feel that I can take care in 1 hour. Guys, learning Docker and Kubernetes in 1 hour is not practically possible. Are you agree? Yes or no? You have to give me your time. Yes, no? Chalo. I would like to come into some technical part as well. Okay, cool. I'm telling you guys, listen me very carefully. If you are looking to learn something in demand technology or is already gone, okay, for 2025, if you want to improve the things, you have to learn the tool Docker and Kubernetes. Okay, this is very high demand. Lot of openings are there. Lot of high package jobs are available into this profile. Can I get to know into the chat box from all of you? How much is your experience? If you are a fresher or experience, just write I'm a fresher experience and what's your expected package. Can all of you write it? Guys, I need your very basic thing so that I will make the level up to that. Okay. You are a fresher. Okay. My simple question, you are a fresher or experience? If experience, how much experience? Experience and how much package you are expecting? Go ahead, guys. Everyone write into the chat box. You are a fresher, experience, or how much experience? Okay. And how much package you are expecting? Dhruv is telling he has a 3 years of experience, expecting 10 to 12. Dhruv, it is possible. Kenath, you are directly telling 15, 20. You are a fresher or experience. I don't know. Please write it properly. Okay. Kunal is a fresher. Chaitanya is a fresher, 7 LPA. Yes, freshers can also reach to 7 or 10 LPA possible. Okay. I'm asking not current package, guys. I'm asking the expected package, which we will fulfill in 2024 last or starting of 2025, which we will achieve whatever the package you want to achieve at the end of 2024 or starting of 2025 means starting of 25 means January itself. There is no sense to December 2025. Okay, January 2025. Go ahead. Cool. Lot of experienced people are here. Guys, experience, 5-year experience, Linux admin, Nitin, good. Okay. Fresher, experience, 14-year experience, Anupam. Anupam, you are a 14-year experience and 30 FPA is very less. Okay. If you have a 14 years of experience, you can ask more than 30, 40, 50 also possible. Okay. 40, 50 is also possible if you will give the good answers. 6-year experience, 30 LP. Yes, Chaitanya, that is possible. This is good. Okay, cool. Okay, now I get to know about your expectation. Chalo. Guys, if you have some expectation, set your goal. Okay, your goal is like you have to be go into the in-demand technology and Docker and Kubernetes in the in-demand technology for 2024 because from the last 3-4 years, yes, it's a demanding technology. So definitely it will be a demanding technology in 24, 25, 26 as well because applications are moving into the containerized side. Okay. If you don't know anything, no need to worry. I will take care of everything. Okay. If you are zero into the Docker, if you are zero into the Kubernetes, I will teach you from the very basic. You don't have to worry. Okay. And guys, if you learn the things, okay, you can use in any of the cloud, AWS, GCP or Azure, every cloud. Okay. Because Kubernetes is developed by the Google, very mature into the Google cloud, but it is very similar in AWS and Azure as well, or even in Alibaba or even into the Oracle cloud as well. All the cloud, Kubernetes is Kubernetes, Docker is Docker. You don't have to worry for that. Okay. And then guys, this is the most popular and commonly developed. Most of the applications are getting developed into the containerized way. If in your company also some 3-tier application or some monolithic applications are there, they are moving into the microservice based application. Lot of migration is already happening in your company as well. Okay, people are moving from virtual machine to the Kubernetes or Docker side. Why? Because the costing of Kubernetes is very high. The movement of application from one place to another into the virtual machine is practically not possible, very difficult. That's why people are moving from virtual machine to the Docker and Kubernetes sites. Okay, and I also want you to move from the outdated technology to the latest technology. Are you with me? Just type me into the chat box if you are with me. Guys, yes or no? Are you with me? Yes or no? How many people are with me? Just type me in the chat box. If companies are moving, then if companies are upgrading themselves, you also have to upgrade yourself. Otherwise, what will happen? You know, some fresher will come and replace you. Freshers package are higher than your package is also possible. Okay. If you are not upgrading yourself, any of the new person will come and replace you in your company. That's why the layoff happen. You have to upgrade yourself, then you will not be get layoff. You will be stuck into the company. Company will give a hike. If you will upgrade yourself, company will give a hike to you. If you will never upgrade yourself, company will never give a hike to you. Okay. Some people are getting negative into the chat box. Okay. What they're telling, freshers are not getting job. Freshers are not getting. Guys, I was also fresher. Everyone who is experienced here was a fresher and get a job. Right? Yes or no? Freshers will get a job. Freshers get a job very easily as compared to experienced person. Don't feel like that. Okay. And another thing, guys, I want to give the answer to Rohit. Okay. And I want to say that, chalo, you have two choice. Come into the technology or come into the non-technical side. Stay for 2-3 years into the non-technical. And after that, you realize that what I am doing, I'm wasting my entire life. Or better, from the starting onwards, come into the technology. What you say? What you say? You want to come into the technology from the starting so that in the 2 years or in the 3 years only your package will be 10-15 LPA. Otherwise, if you say, I will start with the testing job, I will start with non-technical job, then after 10 years also your package will be 10 LPA. Choice is yours, man. Start with technology. Okay. Start with technology. It will be little bit difficult to take the first step, but after that your entire life will be very easy. Entire life your package will be double, triple. Guys, are you agree? Yes or no? You have two options: 10-year experienced person with 10 LPA or 10-year experience 2 years experienced person with 10 LPA. Choice is yours always. Okay. So be into the technology from the day one as a fresher. It will be very, very helpful. Cool. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Now the question is coming. Why you have to use or why we should use a Docker? Give me the very simple or very smart answer. Go ahead, guys. Open platform. Go. Go ahead.
To eliminate the overhead of
is a lightweight.
writing codes which are like system dependent, or to change the code every time we have to deploy in another services. Like previously before Docker, the main issue was maintaining a code which can run on every platform, but Docker eliminated that overhead.
Okay, cool. I understood your answer. I don't know how many other people understood. Can anyone, one more person, please repeat the same answer? Go ahead. What is the use of Docker? Why we have to use the Docker, or why companies are using the Docker? Go ahead.
Hello.
Dhruv, you already given the answer. Some new person. I want everyone to get a 30 lakh
Sir,
package.
he was Dhruv.
It's okay. New person.
Yeah, hello. So if some companies using a legacy application which runs only on say .NET 6.0 version, and they have like more than 1,000 of staffing, so it gets more fuzzier when new staff enters the system, and creating new environment would be difficult for them on the computer, setting up and all those things. So at that time we can use Docker itself and containerize the whole application, and just download the image from the Docker
Okay.
and just run on the.
Okay, chalo, fine. Okay, let me take the example. Okay, how many people hear about the Jenkins keyword? Have you heard about Jenkins?
Yes, sir.
Jenkins installation, Jenkins install installation on Ubuntu. Okay, I'm going into this place. Okay, guys, bear with me for the next 1 minute. You will learn a lot of things. Okay, trust me. Bear with me for the next 1 minute, please. Okay, I'm coming into the Jenkins. To run the Jenkins, what all things are there? He is telling Java will be required, web browser, operating system, this all command you have to run, then only the Jenkins will run. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or yes, no? To run the Jenkins, only Jenkins. Okay, Jenkins is a very popular applications. Okay, run that Java, Java particular version. If I will install some other version, it will not work. Plus this many commands I have to run it. Okay. And then the Jenkins will run. Yes or no? Or still these commands are not complete, guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is the last command I have to execute. Okay. To install the Jenkins. Are you agree with my point? This many things we have to do. Then only Jenkins will run. Yes. No.
Yes.
Obviously, yeah. It's
Yes.
written in their website. I'm not telling anything from my side. Yes or no? Means To run a Jenkins, first we have to install the Java. We have to install all the packages, or all the packages means whatever the dependencies are required. We have to update the packages. We have to set up the packages. We have to make update of our environment. Then we have to install the Jenkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we have to do this 7 step, then my Jenkins application will run. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay, I'm a developer. I can do all these things. Means I can say this is dependency, binary, library, environment setup, env setup, okay, and code. If I will run this dependency, binary, library, environment setup of code, if I will run all these things, then only one application will able to set up or run. Are you agree? Yes or no? Guys, say yes or no into the chat box.
Yes.
Guys, yes or no?
Sir,
We
can
need
you
this
repeat? Your voice was breaking.
Okay. Guys, my question, guys, I'm coming into the technical part because I want you to go into the 30 or 40 LPA. Shubha is telling, Shubha, you are not able to give the answer here. Okay. If you are not getting a job because you are not up to the mark. Guys, whoever is feeling I'm not getting a job because you are not up to the mark, don't blame others. Please. Blaming is never happen. Okay, never works. If you feel that you will blame someone, I'm not getting a job, it's your problem. You will only get affected. Yes or no? Guys, are you agree? Are yes, no?
Yes, sir.
You are not up to the mark. That's why you are getting rejected into the interview. Be up to mark. Give the answer to me today, right now. Whoever is feeling that you are not getting a job, give the answer to me. I will help you out with the referral. I have lot of referrals. I will show you. Okay. I have lot of referrals. I can show you. See, in my current batch 35, batch 36. Okay. I will show you how many referrals we have right now. Okay. If you will come little bit down, I will show you. If you need a referral, let me know. Okay. I will help you out right away. Okay. But you have to be up to, see, I'm taking the mock interviews. Okay. I'm taking 4th mock interview every Wednesday. I'm taking the mock interviews for everyone. Okay. And this is the experience. Okay. How, see, I was asking that how was your experience in the mock interview? Okay. It was wonderful experience because thank you for conducting this mock interview. You boost up the confidence and for giving the real-time interviews. Okay. The sessions was very helpful. I will suggest everyone to give the mock interview every time. Guess you are getting something? Yes or no? You have to increase your knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Right? See, so many, I have a lot of opportunity. I will show you. See, Akansha, job opportunity for cloud or DevOps engineer, mid to entry level, referral fee for batch 36, Sarla, 3 to 6 year domain, Pan India, Mumbai, Pan India. Apply before 17 August. This is the HR email ID. Go in directly and we will tell that you are our student. No need to worry. Okay. The one opening. Another opening. When it's provided yesterday only. Okay. First week of November. Joining will be first week of November. Okay, Globant, 4 to 8 year experience. Here is that. Apply before 18 October. Like that. We have a lot of openings, guys. If you are up to the mark, let me know. Okay. If you feel that you are up to the mark, let me know. I will refer you. Okay. Whoever is telling I'm not getting opportunity, I will help you out right away today only. Okay. Cool. Chalo. Now let's come to the discussion, technical part. Okay. My requirement is I would like to develop the Jenkins application into the Ubuntu machine. Okay. This is my requirement. For this requirement, I need a Java, I need a binary, I need some library, I need some environment setup, I need an application. If I will set up all these things, my Jenkins application will run into the Ubuntu machine. Yes or no? Guys, say yes or no into the chat box, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Developers are very smart. Okay, DEVELOPERS, developers are very smart. Okay, they know in and out binary, dependency, library, environment setup code. They know all, they can able to run all the 6-7 steps and they can run this. So in the development environment, it will work. In the dev environment, it will work. But if he will give this Jenkins application, he will say you have to install the Jenkins application into the operation environment, ops environment. Okay. If he will get the correct Java version, okay, fine. Let me take it. Okay. He has to, means operation people has to set up everything. If you will get the correct Java version, well and good. Okay. If you will not get the correct Java version, what will happen? Application may work or may not work. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
He will do any mistake in any of the place, application will not work. Or sometime, you know what happened? Operation people directly install the Jenkins without dependency, without library, or without binary, and they are telling that application is not working, Jenkins is not working, or application is not working. It is a real-time problem. Why it was not working?
Because of version.
Because of version, because of binary is missing, library is missing, setting missing, environment setup missing, configuration missing, lot of things are missing. That's why it is not working. And they blame directly on the application that your application is not good, it is not working. Right? Yes or no? How many people are agree with me?
Yes, sir. We are agree. We need particular dependency.
We
But
need
we need.
particular dependency, binary, library, environment setup, code, or whatever is required. We need a proper setting, then only it will work. Right? Yes or no? Some people are complaining that I'm not able to join the Zoom meeting. What's the problem? There may be chances you have not given the proper name, mobile number, or registration. Right? Some internet issue. Right? Yes. So see, so what will happen? Now it's a developer problem or operation people? Yes, definitely. If the application is not working, people will say development application is not good. So developer come up with the solution. Okay, we need all these things. I will pack up everything in a container, okay, as an image. And next time onwards, I will give you this image or container itself, so that your all the problem will be solved. Means it will run into the QA environment, it will run into the production environment. Wherever you want to run, you can run this full, everything will be packed into the box. Yes, no, this is a good approach.
Yes, sir. Yes.
How many people are agree with me? I will pack everything into the one box, and I will give it to you. You just have to run one command, docker run, and the application will be get executed. So all the fightings was happening because of dependency, manual steps, and all these things. Earlier, the deployment was of 2 hours, 5 hours, 10 hours. Now the deployment is of 2 minutes. Why? Because we have to, everything is packed into the box or container. How we can achieve this box and container? With the help of tool? Yes, no. With the help of which tool we can achieve this container?
Docker.
Correct. With the help of Docker, we can able to achieve this tool creation. That's it. Yep.
Sir, because image has every dependency that we have covered.
In the image, everything has been packed up. Okay. Yep. That is the use of Docker. How many people was earlier aware about this answer? Now most everyone will be aware. But how many people are already aware about this thing, but you are not able to give the answer?
Yes, sir.
Now
We
you
are
will,
aware.
you guys are aware, I know, okay, but you need a brush up, you need a revision, you need a mentorship. Someone will help you out with the proper steps so that you can able to go and give the good answers into the interview. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
How many people are agree? Right, cool. The question was very simple, guys. Okay, even answer was also simple. Okay, this is the use of Docker. Okay, chalo. I have to teach lot of things, guys. Okay, I have to teach you all the virtual machine because going into the Docker is one approach, but you need a roots to be strong. What is virtual machine? What exactly the virtual machine? How the virtual machine has to be get created? What are the advantage, actual problems, types of virtual machine, hypervisor, shipping challenge? This all things means you have to give 2 days for me to teach you this virtual machine concept. Then you have to give a 3 days time to teach me the Docker, and then 3 more days to teach you the Kubernetes as well. Okay, but I will try my best to take care of a lot of things in the today's session. Okay. Uh, No, I'm skipping all these things. I'm directly coming into one scenario at this point. Okay, the scenario is here. The scenario is here. Guys, listen the scenario very carefully. This is one of the website, www.clouddevops.com, the website, our community website. Okay. This website is consider that it's a dynamic website. Okay. And you have to develop this type of website. What all things will be required? Can you guys give me the answer? What all things will be required to develop one website? Tell me. Go ahead. I want to check your knowledge. I want to develop one website like clouddevops.com. I'm giving this link, okay, to you all. Go into this website, and the requirement is I want you to create this type of website. And I will create in this class only. I'm creating in this class only. Go ahead. How we can create this type of website? Please let me know. Go ahead, guys. Speak up. I want to write all your points.
The program, hello? The
Yes, go
programming
ahead.
language must we should know.
Create a website like this. Okay. You are telling programming knowledge. Why programming?
Yeah.
What is the use of programming here?
So HTML,
HTML. Okay.
CSS,
HTML, CSS. Okay.
yeah.
HTML, CSS, designing or code will be required. Okay. Chalo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This programming is not required. Okay. What else? Guys, unmute and talk with me, please. Give me the answer quickly. I want every one of your help.
Web hosting services.
DNS service.
A
DNS.
domain
Okay.
name, web hosting service.
DNS required. Web hosting will be required. Okay. What else?
WordPress.
Web hosting will come into the WordPress. Okay.
Domain name.
Computing power.
Database
Backend
storage.
framework.
Wait. WordPress, or how many different web hosting services are there? WordPress,
Netlify.
Nginx, okay, Tomcat, Apache, anything. Correct? Yes or no?
So what is Cypress?
WordPress. It's a web server, we can say, web hosting provider. Okay.
Okay,
Anything
okay,
out
okay.
of this, anything will be required. Okay. Web hosting ki jagah, I will say web server. Okay. Because it's a
Yes, sir.
web application, so I need a web server. Okay. What else is? Amit Kumar is telling database. Okay. I need a
Database.
Computing power.
computing power, CPU memory, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. What else?
Backend framework.
Backend. Okay.
VM service needed in the backend.
Correct. Backend. Okay. To run all these things, I need a virtual machine. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Guys, think it. Let's test your knowledge.
If it's containerized in Docker.
No, I'm not containerized. I will like to make it very simple first. Okay. Done.
If it's scaling on the daily basis.
Simple, guys. First, come into the simple answer. Okay. Don't complicate the things. Keep it simple first. Answer. Still, this answer is not good.
VNet.
VNet. See what I told first. First, give the answer which is really required. Okay. Go ahead. Guys, if I will give this scenario to you, you have to create a website. If I will give all 70 people to the interview, you all 70 will get rejected because this is not a complete answer.
Sir, we will use a VM server. From
It's
that,
already,
we will
Mayuri,
go.
it's already written. Don't repeat the same answer, please.
We will go through GitLab. If codes are available, we will clone it, and then we will go on server of AWS and we will run on.
Okay.
No, this is not a good answer. No. Mayuri, don't go and
Repository
give the
from
interview.
where the code is hosting.
Guys, I will give you the code. No worries. Okay. Vikas will give this code. No worries. Okay. The code is a problem. Vikas will give. Vikas will give. No worries. Okay. I will give this code. Vikas will give this code. No need to worry about the code. Okay. What all extra things are required to achieve this? Is this done? Is this done? Or still some more things are required? Tell me.
Which port should need to be allowed?
Okay. Web server means port 80 will run. Okay. Yes.
Which service
Web
we
server.
have to allow?
See, web server means virtual machine. In the virtual machine, we will put the web server. Okay. What else?
If we are hosting on cloud, then cloud service.
VM means from the cloud only. It can be AWS, GCP, yes.
Okay.
Or Azure.
ISS server.
ISS is not required because I'm taking already a web server. Chalo, okay, guys, no worries. You are going into the different direction. I don't want to complicate the things. Okay, chalo. Now, if this is the requirement, you have to create a website. How much time will be required to set up all these things? How much time? First, give me the
4
answer.
hours.
4 hours. Okay. Anyone else? You will able to achieve all this thing in 4 hours?
Half an hour.
Yeah, if the whole code is available, and if we are going with a manual method, then 4 hours is good, enough time. And if we
Okay.
are going through portal, then 1 hour is more than enough.
Okay. Okay. Chalo. Anyone else? Anyone else? And how much time or how much will be the cost to achieve this? Costing. Because nothing is free. You will not do free. Whoever is selling 4 hours, 2 hours, you will not do free. Guys, how much cost will be required?
Depends on the traffic triggered on the website.
Dhruval, give me the answer straightforward. How much is the cost? How much will be the cost? How much will be the cost? Guys, you are 70 people here, not able to give the basic answers. Okay. I'm not asking much technical. I'm asking very simple questions. Go ahead. How much will be the how much cost will be required? Arey number 1,000, 10,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, any number, guys.
This VM would be of Linux.
Dhruval, wait. Guys, only Dhruval is available here, or not anyone else is not available here? You are not able to hear me? Why only Dhruval is giving the answer? What happened to others? You don't want to go for the interview? If you will not go, Dhruval will take all your job. Simple. I want to be very straightforward. Don't message one to me. Yaar, group in a group. You are sitting in a group, send a message into the group. Okay. How much will be the cost? Amount 30,000, 50,000, 60,000, anything. Go ahead. Anupam, answer. Ashwini, Arvindo, Bindu, answer. Okay, 50,000, lot of people are telling. Okay.
Around 20,000.
Okay, 20,000. Okay. Yeah, now the answer is coming now. Good. Others? 20,000, 30,000. Okay.
50,000.
50,000. Okay. So approx is coming in on an average 25,000 will be required. Okay. And I don't know why. What about others? Only one person was telling 4 hours. What about others? Guys, are you
Sir, just to be clear, you are asking the money from entire design to the production level, la?
simple? Yeah, the overall amount you can say. Okay. Yes, everything means to create a website, whatever things are required, you can put the amount.
Then a minimum 80K.
80.
And the real time is.
Okay, 50 to 860K. Chalo. Okay, fine. Okay, is that possible to achieve this thing in 1 day, 2 day, or 1 week? Say the answer yes or no. Tell me the duration. Guys, everyone, everyone has to participate.
No. Minimum 1 week of sprint we need to do.
Okay, what about others? Guys,
So 1 week.
1 week. Okay,
1 week is
1 week is a standard amount. Cool. Okay, cool. I'm also agree 1 week and around 50 to 60,000 rupees or 20 to 50,000 rupees will be chargeable. Okay, chalo. Now, chalo, let's come into the picture. Okay. Now we will do it. Okay, right away. I'm giving you some steps. Okay, and we will able to achieve it. I'm giving you 6 steps. With the help of 6 steps, we can able to achieve this. Okay, these 6 steps are very simple. Okay, go to any of the cloud provider, AWS, GCP, or Azure, create a virtual machine. Okay, in the virtual machine, install a Docker, download a website code, or take the website code from the developer, run the Nginx web server, and check it over the UI. With the help of these 6 steps, we will able to achieve it. Okay, so I'm taking all the steps one by one. Okay, I'm taking all these steps in my notepad and I'm executing in front of you guys. Guys, are you ready? Just type ready into the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Everyone ready? Are yes, no? I need a ready from everyone.
Yes, sir.
10
Yes,
people,
sir.
no. Only 5 people, no. I need more. I need
Yes,
more.
sir.
I need more.
Ready, ready.
Yes, sir. Ready.
Cool. Okay. So go to the any cloud provider, AWS, GCP, Azure. Okay. AWS, so I will teach for 1 month. Okay. So I don't take the AWS at this point. GCP also I will take for 20, 30 days. Okay. So I'm taking the GCP at this point. Okay. I'm coming to the Google Cloud. Okay. How to go to the Google Cloud? Yes, obviously we have to create an account. Okay. The Google Cloud account is a 3-month free of cost account will be available. You can use all the services, AI, machine learning, DevOps, virtual machine. Every service is free for the next 3 months. I will teach you how to create an account. You don't have to worry. Okay. I'm coming into the cloud.console.google.com. This is the URL of the Google Cloud. Okay. As soon as we will come into this web page, some home page is coming in front of you. Okay. In this home page, what is my requirement? My requirement is create a virtual machine. Can anyone tell me what is the name of the virtual machine in Google Cloud?
Hypervisor, sir.
Pinky, don't say this answer into the interview, please. Otherwise, interview or HR will say we will never get back to you. Okay. Chalo guys, if you don't know
Compute
this,
engine, sir.
chalo, it's okay. What about AWS?
EC2.
EC2.
Lot of people
EC2
know.
instance.
Correct. Now, what is the full form of EC2?
Elastic compute.
Elastic cloud computing.
Elastic cloud compute.
Compute. Okay, very good.
Cloud.
What do you mean by elastic?
Easily resizable.
Increase or flexible, right? Increase or decrease. What do you mean by cloud? Over the cloud. Okay, over the cloud. Sir. What do you mean by compute?
With internet.
What do you mean by compute? Now
Processing.
Now 70 people will get rejected.
CPU.
Processing.
Compute. Manju, you will get
Computing
rejected
power.
into the interview. You will get rejected into the interview. Guys, what do you mean by compute? I know 50 people will get rejected because of this keyword. What do you mean by compute?
The resources need to process the whole system.
Correct. Okay. What do you mean by resources? Well, wait, yeah. If you know the answer, wait for 30 seconds. Guys, think it. What do you mean by compute? If someone will ask the question, what is EC2? I'm asking the simple questions into the interview. What is EC2? Student will say, yes, sir. EC2 is Elastic Compute Cloud. What do you mean by elastic? What do you mean by compute? And got rejected at this place. What do you mean by compute? You are
Compute is like start something or initialize something.
What is start, Pinky? I told you don't give the interviews, okay? No.
Compute
Otherwise you have
basically
to
resembles a virtual
calculate.
machine which we create in AWS cloud.
Okay. Someone was telling something else.
To calculate.
Calculate. What to calculate? Yes, what to calculate? What to calculate? Yes. Guys, you get to
The
know the
allocation
level.
of resources.
Correct. What resources? Yes, what resources? Give
Like the
full-
memory, storage,
Correct. Very good answer. Compute
power.
means, guys, compute means this. This is the compute of my laptop. Yes or no? CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, internet, Wi-Fi, GPU, networking, CPU, DPU, whatever it is, right? Yes or no? This is the compute of my laptop. Yes or no?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Same compute. Okay. The compute is CPU, memory. Yes. Guys, if you don't know this thing, not good. Okay. Chalo. In the Google Cloud, the compute name is compute engine. Okay. Compute engine name is VM instance. What is this? This is the basic template in front of you guys. Okay. This is the basic compute homepage in front of you guys. In this compute, we have to click on the create instance. Okay. And guys, I need a one person name who is looking for the highest package. Tell me, because I'm looking for the highest package at this point. Who? Name, your name.
Pinky.
Pinky. Pinki. Pinky. Okay. Pinky is looking for the higher package. Guys, we have to, let me come up again. Okay. We have to go. I'm going back. Okay. This is the compute homepage. If you want to create a virtual machine, we have to go to the create instance. We have to fulfill this template. Okay. In this template, first is name. I'm giving a name Pinky. Okay. I'm coming down. I'm not touching anything. I will teach you very deeply in the regular classes. Okay. I will teach you everything. You don't have to worry. But at this point, I will only click 2 to 3 times and my virtual machine will be ready. I'm taking all the default configuration, 2 CPU, 1 core, and 4 GB RAM. Okay. I'm taking all the default configuration, but I'm changing the operating system to the most popular operating system. Which one is the most popular operating system?
Windows. For Windows.
Windows is not a popular operating
Ubuntu,
system.
Ubuntu.
Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu. Okay, so I'm taking the Ubuntu operating system, which is the most popular operating system. My second click and I choose the Ubuntu operating system. Ubuntu operating system 20.4 is coming to the picture. What do you mean by LTS? Anyone here knows what is LTS?
Latest
Long-term
version.
support
Long-term
version,
support.
What do you mean by long-term support?
which is the most stable version.
Correct. Very good answer. Which is the most stable version? We have to use it. Okay. 20.4 is the latest plus stable version, which we don't have to update for the next 1 or 2 years. If you will choose the version 20.4, okay, you don't have to worry for the next 1 or 2 years. Ubuntu will help for a long term in this version. Okay. 10 GB storage size I'm taking and I'm just selecting this. Okay. Means I just did 2 clicks and my operating system has been selected. I'm coming down. I'm allowing the traffic. Means I'm third click, I'm allowing the internet in my machine. Without internet, I will not able to connect this to this machine because this machine is going to be get created into the US Central. It is available into the US Central, but I am sitting into the India location. So I want to connect with the help of internet. So I am allowing the internet connection in this machine. Clear all the 3 points?
Yes.
And my
Yes, sir.
fourth click is to create a machine. And as soon as I click the fourth click, my virtual machine is ready. Means within 4 clicks, my virtual machine will be ready. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
So create virtual machine in 4CLICKS. Okay, done. Okay, and I'm done with the step 2. Step 1 and step 2 is done. Okay, cool. Now Pinky was telling she is looking for a higher package job. Or guys, you all 70 on one side, you have to help Pinky, or you all have to give the answer. This virtual machine is ready in the 30 seconds duration. Guys, this is ready. This is coming green, means in the 30 second, I get a virtual machine, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone agree?
Agreed.
Yes, sir. I agree.
Cool. Okay. Now, how to go inside this machine? This is into the US Central. How can I connect to this machine?
RDP. If it's on okay, SSH. If Linux.
Durval, wrong answer will reject you into the interview. Okay.
SSH.
We'll establish SSH connection.
Yes. Chalo. I'm clicking on this SSH button. As soon as I click on this SSH, what all things will happen? Guys, step by step, I need an answer. Okay. Yes, I click on this SSH. What is happening? Go ahead, give me the answer.
Sir, instance will be start where you can write all the needed commands.
Wrong answer. I need a proper straightforward answer.
The security groups will be changed here.
Security group is a AWS concept. We are into the Google Cloud. Rejected. Yes, next person.
Our private key and public key, like it will communicate with each other, like it will verify.
Correct.
Like
Yes.
private key will be available at our end and public key will be available at Google Cloud end. So it will be verified between both of them and then it will establish the connection basically.
Durval, good answer till now. Okay, chalo. I'm now my turn. I'm giving the answer. I click on SSH. Guys, read this. What is happening? Okay. Now, as soon as I click on this, transferring the SSH keys are transferring from the VM. Means from my browser, keys are getting generated. Keys are getting transferred to the VM. Verification is happening. Connection is getting established. And with the help of port number 22, I have landed into the machine. With the
Yes,
port
sir.
number 22, I have landed into the machine. Right? This is Pinky machine. This is Vikas is the user into the Pinky machine is able to access this machine. Guys, if you are not able to give this answer up to this mark, not up to the 10 lakh package also. Okay. Agree? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Very basic answers, guys. Very
Agreed.
basic question. Okay. Now, I'm connected to the machine. Yes, in 30 seconds, I have connected to the machine. Okay. Now, my requirement is to install Docker. Okay. Let's assume you don't know anything. You are zero. Okay. I'm also zero. Okay. My requirement is I want to install a Docker inside it. First, I will become a root user, sudo -i, because Vikas has a limited access and root user will be have the higher access. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Basic
Yes, sir.
of Linux. Okay. Very basic question. Can I ask one very basic Linux question? Two Linux question.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Guys, how many people are ready for two very basic Linux questions?
Yes, sir. We are ready.
Yes, sir.
How many? I want ready into the chat box, please.
Yeah,
How many
okay.
people are ready? How many people are ready? Just write ready into the chat box. Everyone. Everyone. 5 ready, 6 ready, 7, at least 10, yeah. 8. Only 8 people are ready. 9. One more. 10. Okay, 10 people are ready to give the answer. Guys, the question is very simple. What is this sign? What is this sign?
So tilde.
What is the still sign?
It is used for home directory basically. It is showing the path where currently we are.
Out of 70
Root
people,
directory.
Shailesh Shah.
Sir, you are in root user's home directory.
Pinky, you are correct. Okay. Pinky and one more person, 2 persons are correct. Rest everyone is silent is also rejected. Okay. Whoever is silent, you are rejected. Either give the answer into the chat box or unmute and talk with me. Okay. Just this is the home directory of the root user. Good. Whoever is telling the root that is wrong. Okay. How to become a root location? How can I go to the root location?
Sir, with the cd command.
CD after that what
CD
to write?
command.
CD backward slash.
CD backward slash. Okay.
PWD.
Now I'm into the root location. Correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, with PWD we can check.
Yes. Okay. Guys, you understood your level? You understood your level, everyone?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Sir, actually, I had one doubt.
I am not teaching anything. Why the doubt is coming?
No, it's just a simple doubt. Actually, for like logging into the root account, we have two commands. So just wanted to know basic difference. Like this command which we use sudo -i, and there is also another command sudo sq hyphen. So what is the
So,
difference?
lot of things are there. For the single activity, multiple commands are possible. Okay. If you will type only su, that will also work. Sudo -i will also work. Okay. Su means switch user and it will say directly to the root user. Okay. Switch user ABC. If any other user is there, you can able to switch to any other user. But if I will give sudo -i, it will become the root user. For every activity, guys, multiple commands are there. No need to worry. Okay. But at this point, I came into the root location. Okay. I don't want to be into the root location. So I'm going into my tilde location. Okay. I'm into my home location of the root user. Okay. Now, guys, be into the point. I want to install the Docker and I don't know anything. How can I install the Docker in this? I don't know.
Sudo apt install Docker.
I don't know sudo apt and all these things.
Using the package
Direct
manager.
docker.hub wala site.
Okay, chalo, we will take the help from the internet. I will teach you the thing which not at all no one has teach. Okay, so I'm coming into the place. I'm going to the Google get Docker. Okay, get Docker. I'm just going to the Google get Docker and I'm pressing enter. Okay, in this I'm coming into this place. Sorry, not wrong place. Okay, get Docker. Yeah, I'm coming into this place. Okay, get docker.com. One of the script. This is the toughest approach I'm teaching to you. Okay, but toughest approach has so many benefits. Okay, I'm coming into this place. Okay, I'm coming into this place, and in this place, some 5 commands are written. Okay, some 5 commands are written. I will take the help from this 5 command and I'm installing a Docker inside it. Either approach 1. Okay, or either I can go into the simple thing. I don't know anything. I'm just typing here docker-v. Okay, I'm checking the version of Docker. He's telling Docker is not available in your machine. Right? Yes or no? Agree?
Yes, sir.
He's telling Docker is not available. Run this command and
Sir.
Docker will be installed. Right? So what I'm doing it, I'm updating my packages of this machine. apt get update. Okay, because I'm a DevOps engineer, I want to follow the best practices. Okay, I'm following the best practice. I'm updating all the packages. Okay, and as soon as the packages will be get updated, I will run the docker apt wala command. Okay, what is that command? Apt apt install docker.io, which Linux machine itself has provided to me. I'm copying this command and I'm pasting it here. Okay, and now it is asking with me 284 MB additional space is required. I'm telling yes, and I'm pressing Y. As soon as I press Y, now Docker is 14% installed, 19% installed, 40% installed, good. 78% installed, 78%, 84, and 95, and 100% Docker will be installed. Which version of Docker will come, guys? Any idea? Anyone here? Which version of Docker?
So we can check Docker version.
Check the Docker version.
We can check, but let's assume you write Docker into your resume. Okay, and interviewer asks which version of Docker you are using.
At that time, we should know because we have already used.
Because
Right
you have
now, we are
already written Docker in your resume, guys. I know. You all have written Docker in your resume. And if you don't know which version of Docker you're using, shame on you. Really shame. See, 65 out of 65 will get rejected here. Only 1 or 2% will able to get selected. Okay, and I'm pressing enter. Docker version 24.07 is coming and has been installed in my machine. Okay, cool. Okay, now Docker has been installed. I'm done with the step 3. Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
All good till now? All good?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone, just type good into the chat box. If all good till step 3. Just type good into the chat box, please. Everyone. Everyone. 3 good. Okay, 4 good. 5 good. Okay, 6. What about the 7? 8, 9, 10. Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, cool. Now, what I'm doing it. Chalo, I'm coming into my notepad. We have done this. Okay. DNS, I'm just parking it. We will do it. Web server, I will install it. Now I'm coming to the line number 25. Code. I need a code. As I told, Vikas will give you the code. Yes, your developer will give, not Vikas. Developer will give the code. Yes or no? Web developer. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? This
Yes,
is not the DevOps work. This is the web developer. He will give you the HTML, CSS, design code, everything. Okay. Cool. Now what I'm doing it, I'm going into one of the website. Okay. In this website, free code is available. Let me download it. Okay. Guys, I will teach you all these things also, which has to be used into the real time. Because of APT command, you will get 10 lakh package. But because of this thing, if you will understand this, you will able to ask 30 or 40 lakh package. People will not give the package to you. You have to snatch the package. Are you agree? Yes or no? I am capable. Give me 30 lakh package. I am capable. Give me 80 lakh package. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How many people are agree? How many people are agree? We have to snatch the package. Just type
Yes, sir.
snatch into the chat box.
Yes, sir, I agree with that.
Right? Otherwise, always the budget is less. Okay. Always every company has a budget is less. 30 lakh, 40 lakh package is very standard now. Okay. If you want to more package, you have to prove yourself that I am capable. I know this thing. Give me this much package. Take one more round for me and give me this package. I did this. Okay. I did this. I need this much. Take one more round and I need this. And they have taken one more round and they have given me that package. I want you to be into that situation. Okay. So you have to be answerable. Okay. Cool. Now I'm coming to the website freecss.com. Okay. And I'm coming down and guys, I want you to choose any of the free template. Okay. Free CSS template. Guys, tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 numbers are coming. Tell me any of the number. This healer, okay, or Flexo.
5.
4 or 5. 5 is the medical wala thing, or 4 or 5. Just write
4.
some number. Just write some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the chat box. Whatever the maximum vote will come, I will take. Go ahead, go ahead. 8 is coming. Sorry guys, issue from my side. I am back. Okay. You are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Most of the people has given the answer 8. Okay, chalo. What is 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, something related to crypto. Okay. So I'm taking this and I'm creating this website in front of you guys. Okay, agree? Okay, screen is not loading. Okay, yeah. Now my screen is loaded, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, what I'm doing is, yes, this is the code. And now my requirement is I would like to download this code in my Linux machine. How can I download this code into the Linux machine? Anyone has any idea?
You can do call command.
Okay, my requirement is I want to download this code into my Linux machine. How to do that? Answer.
Copy that address link and go into that line wget, paste it.
With the help of wget command, I can download in my Linux machine. Okay. Chalo, I'm going into my machine. Okay. Sorry, my connection got break. Okay. I'm reconnecting to this machine. Okay. I'm connecting it. Guys, is that possible? Can we take a small break here so that we can go more into the technical side? Is that fine? What do you say?
How long will it take break?
3 minutes break or 5 minute break? I want you to go because some people are telling that we need a break. Is that okay?
It's fine.
Okay. So I'm giving a small break to you. That is a 5 minute break. Please take a 5 minute break from here. Okay. And we will come back and we will continue the same thing. Fine? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no issues.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we will continue. And we will continue from here itself. Okay. Cool. यप्पा hello 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 hello
Yes.
hello ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ
guys, and the time is back to finish, and I'm back. What about you? Just type back into the chat box. Guys, just type back into the chat box. 2 people are back. What about others? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. Okay. Yeah, good. Okay. And where we are, what we are doing. Before the break, what we are doing? Guys, speak up, please. Before the break, what we are doing?
हम इंस्टॉल कर रहे थे कोड को
We are
Browser, sir.
downloading the code, correct?
Yes.
LOADING. We are downloading the code. Cool. Okay. And before that, what we did, we have created the GCP machine. Okay. The GCP machine name is Pinky. Okay. And we have went into the GCP machine. Okay. Let me go inside the GCP machine again. Okay. How to go inside the GCP machine? We have to just click on SSH. As soon as I will click on the SSH, what will happen? Give the steps, every step, please. Guys, speak up.
They were transferring the keys.
Verification of keys.
Correct. The keys will be get transferred into the virtual machine. Okay. Then
we'll install Docker.
Then we have already installed the Docker. With the help of Docker -v command, we have get to know that yes, the 24.0 version Docker has been already installed in this machine. Perfect. Okay, good. Now the Docker is already installed. So as a next step, what the next step is saying, go to the website, go to any of the website or go to your developers and get the code of the whatever the application you want to run. So most of the people has given the answer 8 into the chat box. Let's see what is the 8. The 8 was straightforward. It is selling something crypto related website. Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes.
Everyone, guys, everyone into the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So we are going to develop some crypto related website code. Okay. So what I'm doing it, I'm clicking on the download. As soon as I will click on the download, what will happen? The code will be downloaded in my local machine, but this is not my requirement, right? I don't want to download the code into my local machine. I want to download this code in my Linux machine. Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
So what I'm doing it, I'm
Yes,
copying
sir.
the link. I'm copying the link. I'm copying the link. Right click. I copy the link. I went into the Linux machine and I type the command wget. Okay, wget and the URL. Okay, I pasted the URL. Now I'm pressing the enter. As soon as I press enter, what will happen? The code is going to be get downloaded in my machine. I'm just typing ls command, and what happened? Flixstore.zip one folder has been downloaded in my machine. Yes, no. Flexo,
Yes,
this is the name of this Flexo. Something, yeah, something Flexo, something is coming. Good. Now, this is a zip file. What to do with this zip file?
Unzip.
Unzip.
Unzip, very good. In the Linux, is this unzip is a command or we have to use something else?
Sir, we have to use XZVF.
Guys, everyone write into the chat box.
We can
Everyone.
use unzip.
Unzip is a command.
Yes, unzip is a command, guys. Things are not tough. Don't make it tough. UN. Okay, I'm just typing the command unzip. Okay, and I'm just giving the file name. Can I press enter? Can I press enter?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'm pressing enter and I get one error. What is this error?
Sir, we have to install unzip command.
We have to download the unzip package, not command. Okay, I'm copying this command. Let's assume I don't know again the command. Linux is very smart. He given the command to me as well, and I just copied apt install unzip. I press enter, and now unzip software 80% and 100% has been downloaded in my machine. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now I'm running the command unzip pinolex.zip. As soon as I press enter, my God, I get some HTML index pages and all these things. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now some HTML pages. Our requirement was, yes, my requirement was here. Web developer will provide some HTML, CSS designs and code. Yes, I got it. Great. If I get this thing, what is the next step?
Sir, we have to install Apache server also.
Correct. We need a web server. So that what will happen over this web server, we will run this code. Guys, how many people are agree with me?
Yes, sir. I am.
Agree.
Everyone agree? Just type agree into the chat box. We have a code. I want to run this code either in WordPress, Nginx, Apache, Tomcat, or any of the web server. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I get only 5 agree. No, I'm not happy. I need more. I need more.
Agree, sir.
No, into the chat box. I need into the chat box. Because 50 people are listening me. So at least 10% has to say yes, no. 7, 8. Okay, I need a little bit more. One more. Thank you. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I can see what is my requirement. I will run this HTML code with the help of over the web server. And in this case, Docker will come into the picture and he will help me out. Okay, what he will help me out with the help of only single line command, line number 65. Okay, line number 65. What I will do, I will just execute this code and things will be done. What exactly this line or this code, not code, this command, what exactly will happen with this command? Let me show it to you. Okay, so what I'm doing it, I'm taking this complete code, okay, command, okay, and let me change it. Okay, let me minor change will be required. Okay, I'm typing ls, and what is the file name? Phenolex.html. I just take this and it is available into this place. Okay, in the root folder. Where exactly it is, I will check the current location, pwd, and with the help of root location, with the help of pwd command, I get to know that in the root location phenolex.html file is available. Okay, so what I did, in the root location phenolex.html folder is available. So with the help of Docker, I'm just executing it. Just bear with me. Let me run this command and we will see something. Okay, but before that, I would like you to ask, or I would like to ask one basic question with you. What do you mean by internal IP or external IP? What is this two IPs? What is the difference?
So internal IP will
One is public, another one is private.
Public and private.
Public and private, yes. Which one is public or which one is private?
External is public.
Public.
External IP is a public IP. Okay, so I'm copying this public IP and I'm checking in my browser, is anything working on this IP? Okay, I just press enter and I will give it to you as well to check it on the port number 80. Anything is working? Let me verify. Okay, no, for me nothing is coming. I also want you to verify this. Okay, I'm giving this IP into the chat box. Okay, and double column 80. Okay, not HTTPS, sorry, it should be HTTP only. Okay, just give me a second. I'm giving one more time, double column 80. Can you check it? Is this anything working for you? HTTP or HTTPS, anything? For me, it's not working. What about you? Guys, for me, it's not working. What about you? Not working. Aman is only telling not working. Sujit is also telling not working. Nothing is happening. Correct. IP is not.
Sir, we have not used proper IP.
What is Docker IP?
Proper, correct IP. You are not
Arre,
using.
this is the correct IP. What is the difference? This is the correct IP. 34, 31, 1385. I given this IP only to you.
Sir, you have used 85 IP. Sorry,
Yes.
Port we have also used. Need to
Port.
use port.
Pinky, basics are not clear. Your basics are not clear. Guys, what is the difference? We are in Google Cloud. Don't compare, don't go to the AWS in between. Inbound
okay.
and all this thing in AWS concept.
Oh,
Guys, you understood the problem? Pinky, be silent, okay? Don't give the wrong answer. Chalo. Now, guys, this is my external IP and this is not working for me. Are you agree? Yes or no? Yes, it's not working. Okay, so what I will do, I'm just taking this one command, okay, one basic Docker command, and let me execute, and then we will see what exactly is written into this command. I'm taking this command, okay, and I'm pressing enter. What will happen if I will press enter? Can anyone give me the answer?
It will create a Docker container and it will run on a particular 8080 port.
80 port, not 80, 80 port. Okay, it will
Sorry,
take,
by mistakenly 80.
it will take the Nginx image from the internet. Okay, it will connect with this volume and it will run on port 80. Let me press enter. I'm pressing enter. Okay, as soon as I press enter, something is downloading, something is happening. Okay, and something is done. Okay, and let me check anything is happened. Guys, you can also check anything is working. Can you check? Is this working or not working? Same IP.
Yes, sir.
Guys, check it.
It's working, sir.
Working. What is working?
The website is accessible at port 80, sir, at the external IP.
Correct. The website is completely up and running. Okay. The website is completely up and running. The crypto website is up and running. And my use case, in the starting, what use case I given to you that I want to run one website. Okay. What all things will be required? Yes, only not all this unnecessary thing. Okay. I use the Nginx. Okay. And I just use the code. That's it. And my website has been created and up and running. How this is possible? Is this took 1 week time? Is this took 25,000, 50,000? How much it took? 0 rupees. Okay. And the knowledge of Docker and knowledge of DevOps and cloud. Yes or no? If you have the KNOWLED knowledge of Docker and cloud, you will able to achieve. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree? How many people are agree? Yes, no. Only guys, if you have this knowledge, you can able to perform this activity. That's it. Yes. Okay. Only this thing, and we are able to create this all things. Means now I have did one activity. Okay. Chalo, I will do one more practical now itself. Okay. What I am doing it. How many people are using the Windows 11? How many people are using Windows 11 at this point in this group? Just say yes, me. Priyansh is telling okay. Dhruv is using Windows 10. Okay. How many people are using the Windows 11? And how many people did the migration from Windows 10 to Windows 11? How many people did that migration? Priyanshu did. Okay. Priyanshu, how much time it took to migrate you from Windows 10 to Windows 11 with the help of 1 or 2 click only? But how much time? So half an hour, 1 hour will taken care, right? Yes or no? 45 minute, 40 minute, 50 minute, right? But the condition is your hardware capable? Your hardware should be capable to make this migration. Yes or no? Are you agree? Yes. If your hardware is capable, then only you can able to it. But what I'm doing it, we have a Ubuntu machine. This is the Ubuntu machine we did. Okay. We are running. Okay. And I will run the Windows 11 emulator. EMULATOR emulator means a very similar to Windows 11. I will run on browser. Guys, tell me, it is possible or not possible? Whatever I'm telling, Windows 11 emulator on browser. Is this possible? Yes or no?
Exactly not. We have to use the RDP.
Okay. Come up into the technology, guys. Come up into the technology. If you are not into the technology, your answer will be no. If you are into the technology, the answer is yes. Okay. So what I'm doing it, I will run this similar thing into the 3000 port. Okay. You can come here, same IP. You can open it again. Okay. Double code 3000. Okay. I'm checking it. Anything is running on 3000. At this point, I'm checking in my machine. Nothing is running on the port number 3000. Okay. I'm checking it. Nothing is running on port number 3000. Guys, can you also check it quickly and let me know anything is working? Yes or no? Confirm me. Is this working? Anything working on port number 3000?
No, sir.
Not working. Okay.
No,
Why
sir.
3000? Why 3000? What is 3000 port? For which application we can use the 3000 port? Anyone has any idea?
Grafana.
Wrong answer, Pinky. Guys, if you're not confident, write into the chat box, please. Okay. Guys, for which application? Can you go to the Google and check it for which application we can use the port number 3000? We have a Google. Just go ahead and check it. Please check and give me the correct answer. I want you to do the cheating. Please do. No. Dhruv, if you will give localhost answer, na
Local development.
Dhruv, if you will give this answer, local development, interviewer will say, okay, done, thank you, bye-bye. He will never talk with
Sir,
you.
React.js like
Pinky, how you get this answer, React.js?
Re
How you get this answer now?
Sir, from Google I have searched.
Correct. You search, that's why you get the answer. And still 40 people or 45 people are not able to search it. Pinky, you are a fresher or experienced? How much experience you have?
Sir, I have worked 1 year of experience in Linux.
You have a 1 year of experience in Linux. Okay, good. But you are better than this 10-year experienced persons as well. Guys, only one correct answer I get it from this 40-50 people. React.js application is running the port number 3000. Okay, chalo, let's check it.
Sir, I have also used Grafana for default.
Correct. I
That's
agree.
why I told you earlier.
I agree. Okay, your answer was correct that time also. Okay, so what I'm doing it this time, I'm taking example. Okay, and I'm running this code. Okay, what is this code? This is the Windows 11 emulator code. Okay, which is written into the React.js language, and I'm taking this code and I'm running the Windows 11 React emulator for the Windows 11. Okay, I'm copying this. What exactly it is? I'm taking this code. Okay. This command. Okay. Very simple, very straightforward command. I will teach you as well. No need to worry. Okay. And in this, what exactly it is telling? Docker run the Windows 11 React application on the port number 3000. Can anyone tell me the answer why 2 times 3000 is written? Earlier also 2 times 80 is written. Why 2 times? What is the use?
Sir, because there is a 2 port, internal, external, and external we can change, and there is a default port we can't change.
One is for our machines, VM machine, and other is for Docker.
Very good answer. Sudeep, your answer is correct. Okay. One port for the virtual machine, one port is a container port. Okay. This mapping will happen because of this command. Okay, cool. And what exactly is happened with the help of Docker run command? I am running the blue edge image on the port number 3000 with this name. Okay, and I'm copying this and let's check it. What will happen if I will run this command into my server? What will happen? It will download the blue edge image in my machine and run on the port number 3000. Let's check. Anything is happening. Anything is happening. Cool, something is done. Guys, now I have a question. How can I verify that anything is done or not? There is a Docker command. With the help of Docker command, I would like to check how many containers are running. Simple Docker command I need here.
Docker PS.
Guys, answer everyone.
Docker PS.
Docker PS.
Yep.
Docker
Good.
PS.
Correct answer. DOCKER Docker. Okay. PS. As soon as I run the command Docker PS, I got something. Two things are running in my environment. Okay. In my one container, which is a Blue Edge, which is running on 3000. Another container, which is running on port 80. Port 80 is our application. Port 3000. Let's check anything is running on port 3000. Let me refresh it. Guys, can you also check anything is running for you?
Yes, sir.
What is happening? What is running? Yes, something Windows 11, not exactly the Windows 11. The emulator of Windows 11 is running in my virtual machine. Guys, yes or no?
Yes, sir, running.
And how much time it took to run it? Execute this command. How much time it took? How much time it took?
Maximum 5 minutes.
Why 5 minutes? Less than 30 seconds, right? If I executed this command within less than 30 seconds, my container is up and running and application is showing into the browser. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, what you feel now? Only the tricky part is this much, right? Yes or no? If I
Yes.
create an environment one time, I can run multiple containers, multiple images, and I can means it's not advisable to use multiple application into the single VM. But if I have a containers, multiple containers can be run in the single VM. Possible? Yes or no? That is possible. How this is possible? Because of the Docker. And how come this all things are running? And how come this all things are running 100%? Because everything is packed as an image. This is packed as an image. Yes or no? Or yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Can I take one more example? Can I take one more example? Are you ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This time I'm taking the example. This whole thing has to be packed into one image. Okay, which image? Jenkins image. Okay, Jenkins Jenkins image. And I will run and Jenkins web server will run in front of you. Are you ready? Can I do this activity?
Yes.
How many
Yes,
people
sir.
are ready? The green part wala thing, I'm doing it. How many people are ready? One person is ready.
Yes, sir.
Two.
I'm ready.
Write into the chat box. Three. How many people are ready? 4, 5, 6, 7. Cool. Okay. Let me take the example. Okay. I have to go into my regular classes topic. Okay, because this example we are taking into the regular class, not into the workshop. Okay, I'm coming into the virtual machine because I have to take lot of example. If I will take lot of example, then your basics or your scenarios will be get completed. Okay, I'm coming here. Okay, and I'm coming here. The slide number. The slide number. The slide number. So many examples we have to teach. Okay, I'm directly coming into the practicals. I have not teach you the basics theories. Okay, and I'm taking the example number. Guys, how many people are aware about the Docker workflow? If you will see this image, how much you are able to understand? Can you guys just give me the answer into the chat box? If you will see this image, how much percentage you are able to understand? Answer into the chat box. 10%, 20%, 30%, 50%. 85%. Okay, you know 85% of the commands, Dhruv?
Yes, sir.
So these 70%. Okay, what about others? Lucky 50%, 60%. Guys, have you did the whoever is selling 50%, 60%? You did all the practicals. You can able to build. You can remove the image. You can run the container. You can create a container. You can take the snapshot of the container. If not, today do this all practicals. Okay, it will be very helpful. Okay. I have one more question for you guys. This is the architecture of Docker. How many people are able to understand the architecture of Docker? Just type into the chat box percentage. 50%, 60%, 80%, 90%. Good. Anjali is only telling 50%. Lucky 50%, 50%. Only 3-4 persons are giving the answer, okay? Till 50%. Rest are silent means rest don't know about this, what is happening. Guys, if you don't know what is happening, you are not at all eligible to ask the 10 lakh package also. Only 3 answer I got for this architecture. Right? Good. Guys, I will teach all these things. You don't have to worry. Okay. I will teach all these things. Okay. Chalo, I am coming to my question. Okay. My question is I would like to create a Jenkins application with the help of this thing. Okay. Create a web server. No. I'm taking this example. Okay. Now I'm taking a very simple command. Okay. The command is very simple. I'm taking this command. Okay. And I'm putting in my notepad. And guys, I need your help. Anyone who is telling I know Docker, can you explain me the line number 85? What is written into the line number 85? Please. Go ahead, guys.
Sir,
Sir,
this is
we
a
are
command which can run the Jenkins.
Can you repeat it?
This is the command which we will use to run the Jenkins.
Pinky, I'm telling you to explain this command, not the
Sir,
use
can
of this command. Okay, there is a difference in the command. What is the use of this command or what is this command?
Okay, okay.
I want
I'm
you to
sorry.
explain. Okay, go
Yes,
ahead. What is -it? What is D? What is P? Like that.
sir. -it, it is a use for interactive mode
Very
and
good. Slow. IT belong to interactive mode. What do you mean by
yes.
interactive mode?
यानी ये जो है ना ये
No
हमारा
Hindi, no Hindi. Interviewer
Okay.
will not understand the Hindi. Okay. If let assume interviewer is sitting into the US, UK, your Hindi will not be useful.
Yeah, okay, sorry.
Hmm.
It is interactive mode, like it can interact with the Jenkins.
Good. Okay, fine. Okay, acceptable. What do you mean? Interactive means, guys, if you want to talk with this Jenkins image or container, you will run the interactive mode. What do you mean by -D?
It is like detached.
Wait, Pinky. Now give the opportunity to others. What do you mean by -D? Others? D
it's
means
run in a detached mode.
Detach mode.
what is the use of detach mode?
Sir,
What is
it will not
detached?
sir, it will not show any like logs on the current
Very
place,
good.
sir.
Okay, very good. Logs in terminal. Correct. It will not show any logs or details in terminal. Correct. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Very good. Okay, guys, new person, give me the answer. What is this written? -P 8080 new person. Someone new person, give me this answer.
It is specifying the internal and external ports.
Port forwarding.
Okay. Port forwarding. Okay. No wrong answer. No.
Sir, it is reserving the
No,
8080
yeah,
port for
Dhruv, wait, someone else.
sorry, sir.
Because what will happen?
I,
Otherwise, only 2% will get a job, right? I
no, sir,
want
my bad, sorry.
everyone to get a job because see, when I will start a batch now, I will create a mission. I will set up your expectation that how much package you will ask after the batch will get complete, right? And everyone's expectation and everyone's package is different. Are you agree? Yes or no? Based on your experience, based on how you are giving the
Yes, sir.
answer, right? So I will set up everyone's different expectation. Okay. And now my expectation from you all or anyone who knows the answer, be silent for a couple of seconds and other person give me the answer. Yes, Sudhir, go ahead. What is this answer?
Yes, sir. The same we are binding the port of our EC2 instance and virtual machine and the Docker
Correct.
at 8080. Yeah.
Means what exactly will happen? -P belong to expose. Okay. Guys, if you don't know expose, it's a technical term for the mapping, exposing of virtual machine VM port with container port. Correct? Yes or no? That is port number 8080. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Now, if you understood this, now only the thing is this thing pending. What is this? What is this? Yeah, Akash, Pinky, go ahead, give me the answer.
So this is the latest image
This
of
is-
Jenkins.
This is the image name of the Jenkins, and this is the latest version. Why
Yeah.
2 times Jenkins? Why 2 times Jenkins?
So there is this is the image and there is a folder, or we can say directory where image is there.
Why 2 times? Because the name is written like that. Okay, this is the official image from the Jenkins itself. Okay, this is the official image, and they have written the name itself. Jenkins is providing the Jenkins official image. Okay, sponsored open source operating system image, open source image. That's why the name is like that, and the version is latest. Guys, have everyone understood this command? Line number 85.
Yes, sir.
Anyone here who is not able to understand? Means I am not teaching well. If you are not able to understand, means it's my problem. How much you understood? 80%, 90%, 100% this command. If anyone is less than 60%, it's my problem that I'm not able to teach you properly. Priyanshu 100%, Vaibhav 100%, everyone, right? Everyone. Guys, if you are not able to understand, it's my problem that I'm not teaching well. Cool. I'm satisfied that you guys are able to get the 100%. Okay. Guys, if you are able to understand this, Trust me, if you will give a time to me, you will able to understand this also. If you will give a little bit time to me, you will able to understand this also. Trust me, if you will give a time to me, you will able to understand, you will able to get the 10 LPA package, 20, 30, 40, or whatever you are expecting, you will able to achieve. Okay. But what is required from you, I need a time. Yes or no? Because I can't teach everything in one day. Practically is not possible. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? I can't teach everything in one day. Practical, not possible. Okay. Because let assume I took it 15 hours of session, but you have to digest also. You have to do the practicals also. Yes or no? Digestion is very important. Otherwise, it will bouncing back. If I'll take 5 more example, it will bouncing back from you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Chalo, now
Excuse
I'm
me, sir.
taking. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, is there any way we can get this, the copy of all the things you have written in this?
Everything is for you guys only. Nothing is for me. I know this thing, so no use of me. Right? Yes or no? Everything is for you guys. Are
Okay.
agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Recording is already running on the YouTube. You don't have to worry. Okay. But
Okay.
watching recording will never help. You have to interact with me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You have to
Yes.
give the wrong answer. I have to correct you. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Because thousands of better than me trainers are available, mentors are available on the YouTube or over the world. But I'm giving opportunity you to talk with me, unmute with me, right? Yes or no? Get your doubt, clarify. Are you getting this thing on the YouTube video?
No, sir.
No, right?
No, sir.
Right? Cool. Okay. So I'm taking this command and I'm executing it. Now I'm executing it. Okay. Can anyone give me the answer? What will happen as soon as I execute? Answer, 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 answer.
Jenkins image will load
Sir,
in
it
your
is
machine.
downloading all the packages of Jenkins.
Jenkins image will be get downloaded and it will make a container. Okay. That's it. Okay. Package and everything is already packed. You don't have to worry for that. With the help of docker ps command, you can able to see that yes, something is running on the port 8080 as well. Let's check it. Let's check it. I'm going here. Guys, you can change your IP quickly on the port number 8080. Check it, check it, check it. Perfect. My Jenkins is also up and running. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I took 3 examples in the today's session, right? I don't want to teach you Jenkins. Okay, don't say because sir, what is the next step? I don't want to take the Jenkins in this. Okay, Jenkins, I have a separate session. I will teach you Jenkins in a separate session. Fine. Are yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How's the session going on till now?
Very.
How is it? Yes, everyone. Can you write something 1 or 2 lines for me? Can we get connected on the LinkedIn? What do you say? Yes, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We can connect.
Yes, sir.
Let's connect. Okay. So that whatever the queue is, whatever the things we are running, okay, you will get to know everything. See, the queues 509 question is coming. You can just explore this. Multiple questions are there. You can give the correct answer. You can make the comment here. If you will not get connected, nothing will happen. Okay. So I want to connect with you. Okay. And you can, I'm just giving this link. Okay. And I'm giving a
So
very
I've
minor time.
already sent a connection link.
Some people are very smart, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
So guys, I'm giving you the LinkedIn link. Okay. Can we get connected, please? Okay.
Okay.
And please write 1 or 2 lines, 3 lines for me, how the sessions is going. Please. Okay. Please go ahead. Okay. How much time you need to write it? 1 minute? Is that enough? Then I will go into the next steps. I'm officially giving 1 minute time to you. Okay. 1 minute 30-second time is for you guys to connect with me on the LinkedIn and write something on by tagging Cloud DevOps Up. Okay. Tag @Cloud DevOps Up. CloudDevOpshub. Okay. Please. Please. Okay. Please do this. Okay. Or if you are not into the LinkedIn, if someone is telling I'm not into the LinkedIn, that's very bad. Okay, you can write into our WhatsApp group also. Okay, I will allow you to talk, make the discussion on the WhatsApp group. Okay, if someone will say, sir, I don't have the LinkedIn, that's very bad, but you have to be on the LinkedIn, and I'm allowing you to be a part of the WhatsApp group discussions as well. Okay, I want to do the discussions. Okay? Because if the discussion will not happen, you will never learn. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Let's make the discussions. Okay, but I want you to be discussable. Okay. Where is the allow option? Group permission. Send messages. Yes, everyone can send the message. Okay. Pooja is asking YouTube link. Okay. Guys, you can write it in the WhatsApp group. If someone is telling I don't have the LinkedIn, I don't have the YouTube, I'm not using social media, then we write into something on the WhatsApp group as well. Okay. Cool. And which YouTube link you want? Recording. Pooja, you are asking about the recording. I will give this recording into the WhatsApp group. You don't have to worry. Okay. I will give the details. And guys, if someone is telling Vikas sir, I'm not into the WhatsApp group, I will give you the WhatsApp group link also. Okay. Here is the WhatsApp group link. Please join the WhatsApp group. If someone not into the WhatsApp group, please. Here's the WhatsApp group link. Join the WhatsApp group as well. Cool. Yes, it's
So
done.
provide the link in the chat.
Which link, buddy? Which link?
WhatsApp link.
WhatsApp link I given into the chat box. Check it, check it, check it. The last message is WhatsApp group link.
Yes, sir. Found it. Thank you.
Okay. WhatsApp group link is there. You what we can say. LinkedIn link is also there. Okay. Write something on the LinkedIn. All good till now? Guys, whatever I have delivered, how much percentage you understood? 60%, 70%, 90%, 100%. Are yes, no? Pinky is 100%, Pooja 90%. Pooja, why 10% you are not able to understand? What thing? Weber, what is 25% missing? Let me know. Is this my fault? So I will correct it. Please let me know. Anjali 100%. Thank you, Anjali. Dhruv 100%. Pooja, why 90%? Where is 10% lagging?
Sir, it's all about new for me. That's why.
Okay, then fine. Okay, then fine. Okay, because we directly start for the 30 lakh package, correct? First, we
Right.
have to reach to 10 lakh package, 15, 20, 30. Then it's possible. Okay, fine. Okay.
Thank you.
Because guys, I would like to understand from you guys if any problem from my side, let me know. I have to correct it. Okay, because I'm also human being. Yeah. Next, in the WhatsApp group, guys, I have asked you something. Okay. Let me open the WhatsApp group again. Okay. In the WhatsApp, I asked you what you want to learn. Yeah. Okay. Create a GCP virtual machine and Docker installation. We have done first container from the image. Guys, chalo. How many people are aware about this? How to create a container from the image? We did this or not?
We did.
We did. What we did? How many times we did in the today session?
We have done it 3 times, but it was like directly we are creating container. We are not writing any Docker file code.
Correct. See, Docker file is little bit advanced topic, right? If I will take it, some fresher will not able to digest today. Yes or no? Right? So I will take
Yes,
it.
sir,
You have to
absolutely.
give me 2-3 days time. Okay. You have to learn 2-3 days Docker, then you have to do it. Okay. We have taken care containerized Jenkins for the CI/CD server. Yes, my Jenkins server is up and running. Now the Kubernetes thing. Are you ready for the Kubernetes? What do you say? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are good.
Ready, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But see, guys, do you feel that if I will teach you like this for the next 3 months or 55 sessions, how much will be your level? Because I know from today only, some people will write Docker into the resume and they will go for the job. Yes or no? How many people are like this? Yes, no. How many people will write Docker in the resume today? Or if you have a Docker already written, your confidence level is more. Priyanshu is telling me, Lucky is telling Anjali.
Yes, sir. The confidence has been boosted.
boost. Okay, guys, if I will take your 55 sessions like this, what will be your level? What will be your level? Tell me. If today you are 100% satisfied, in the 55 sessions will be 55,000 time or
Yes,
5500
sir.
times,
Yes,
right?
sir, definitely.
5500 times, right? So guys, I have something for you. Okay, my batch. Okay, the batch is, I'm running a batch. Okay, the batch is of Cloud DevOps Hub. Okay, and in this batch, it's a master sessions. I'm taking up 55 live sessions like this. And in this batch, if you will come to my website courses, my next batch, which is coming into the picture, which is a all-in-one batch, means what exactly it is. This will, the next batch will be my 37th batch. All 55 sessions will be like this for you guys, live, 100% interactive. Whatever the question you want to ask, you can ask with me. Monday to Friday 8 a.m. IST. Okay, Monday to Friday 8 a.m. IST, I'm taking this batch. Plus I will give you the previous batch recording as well, because some students want to run faster. Some people are telling, because I am already a 5 years experience, 3 year experience, I want to run faster. So you will get a previous batch recording as well. Okay, I will teach you Python as well for the automation, whatever is required for the DevOps engineer. I will take care of all your basics, means from the Linux admin, or I will show you the syllabus. Okay, I will show you the syllabus. The syllabus says what all things I am going to teach you very transparently. I am showing into this roadmap. Okay, in this roadmap, day one, I will take care of your basics. Day two, I will take care of cloud computing, server related thing. Day three, I will teach about the Docker introduction, not Docker, DevOps introduction. What all DevOps tools are required, why DevOps is there, what DevOps people has to do, what is the roles, responsibility, or what exactly the DevOps people are solving the development as well as operation people. CI, CD, CDD, CT, CM, CBB, this all things I will take care. And over that weekend, some workshops will be happen like this is a workshop. Okay, so over the weekend I will connect with the new people as well. Okay, to discuss or to teach something new. Okay, and after that 1 week you have to give me for learning the Linux, means day 4 to day 8, means 5 days you will give, and I will teach you the Linux. Whatever the Linux you know in the last 5 years or 10 years of your experience, I will teach beyond that. Okay, means if you are a non-technical person, if you have any experience, okay, I will make a technical person to you with the help of teaching the Linux. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? Possible or not possible? By learning Linux, you will be a technical person. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? And yes, I will take your 5 days session to teach you the Linux. After that, I will come up and I will teach you the top 10 or top 10 AWS services. What exactly it is, feature of AWS. We will create a free AWS account, scalability, horizontal scaling, vertical scaling, auto scaling concept, high availability concept, AMI overview, creation of AMI, EC2, S3, databases, networking. Means what if you don't have any project, I will give you one project on the database. If you don't have any project, I will give you one minor project on database and one minor project on the networking as well. Plus, we will perform 10 practicals on the AWS as well. 10 plus practicals on a very good level of practicals we will perform on AWS. Then the DevOps part will come into the picture as a part 2. Means in the DevOps, what will happen? I will teach you the Git, GitHub, Jenkins. Okay, means you have to give me 2 weeks of time to become a developer person for the DevOps engineering role. Okay, so this thing I will teach to you. After that, the virtual machine or Docker or Kubernetes will come picture. Means whatever you are seeing that they 30, 31 related things are there. Okay, and this is what we are learning today. Okay, means I just pull the image of the Ubuntu. I have not pulled the image Ubuntu. I just pull the Nginx image in front of you. Okay, and I just created a one Jenkins application in front of you. Means the practical 20 I just perform in front of you, as well as I just perform the practical number 18 in front of you. Okay, and then on the advanced level of Docker, we have to go into the Docker file, build the application, customize the application, debugging, networking, troubleshooting, volume creation. Then your level will be there. Means I can say whatever the Docker we have learned, 15 or 20% of the Docker we have learned in the today's session. Still 80% is pending. Okay, which I am teaching in my live regular classes. Okay, and then the Docker virtual machine, Docker and Kubernetes. You have to give me around 7 to 8 live sessions. I will take care and I will teach you all these things like this. Then your Kubernetes will be taken care. After this, in the Kubernetes, we will do one project as well. One project is of microservice base. Okay, means microservice based application we are going to develop in front of you. That is project 3. Okay, project 2. And in between, after that, we will learn the Terraform and Ansible as well. Next week, again, we will meet and I will teach you the Terraform over the weekend, Terraform and Ansible as well on the high level. If you want to interested on an overview or high level, we will connect again over the next week and I will teach you the Terraform as well. Okay, Terraform and Ansible. Okay, but deeply, you have to give me your 5 days, means Monday to Friday also, to go into the advanced level or deeper level. What do you want to say? You want to learn over the only weekend or you want to go over the deeply as well? What's your plan?
So I want to learn it very deeply.
Right? Means you want 5 lakh package or 30 lakh package. Simple choice, guys. Whatever we are learning over the weekend, high level overview. If you have a plan of 30 lakh package, not 30 lakh, directly double package. Simple. Whatever is your current package, if you want to make it double, you have to give your Monday to Friday also to me. Saturday, Sunday you will give it to me. I agree. Okay, free of cost. But if you want, if you are looking for your package to be double or triple, you have to give your Monday to Friday as well. How many people are ready? Guys, tell me. Monday to Friday, ready with me?
Ready, sir.
Just write ready into the chat box. Everyone. Anjali is ready. Dhruv is ready. Priyanshu is ready. Guys, our mission or our intention is to make your package double. Simple. Okay. How we are doing for other people? See here. Already in the previous batch. Okay. I will show you my WhatsApp group. This is the batch 36 group. Okay. In this group, yes, these people are into the mission to make the package double, triple, or 4 times in the month of this only, October, November, December. Okay. From before 2025, these people will get a job for sure. Okay, we are providing the referrals, we are providing, see, you can see we are providing the referrals, we are helping, we are guiding. See, people are doing all these things. I developed the Node.js application using Docker container. See, people are doing and writing the steps as well. You just have to execute. I also did the same thing. If I will give you all the PPT recordings, notes, teaching you live like this, you will able to understand all these things. See what all discussions are happening here every day. You can see here, means a lot of issues are happening, lot of things are happening. People are doing the certification. See, application has been deployed. Which application they have developed? It got sorted out. Thanks for your support. See, you can see here. I will show you. Okay, I will show you what exactly happened in my batch. Okay, some people is getting a issue. Jitendra, see, Jitendra is telling on the Azure it's not working. Right? Try to help me on the port number 80. Port is already open. When the message came 5:45, guys, you are able to see something. At what time the issue is happening? 5:45. Yes or no? Yes, no, guys. At what time the issue is happening? Some student is telling 5:45. Some issue is happening. He is trying to learn Azure as well. Means I'm teaching AWS and GCP. Some people are doing the experiment on Azure as well, because some people are telling, Vikas sir, you are telling 30 package. I need 50 package. So I told, yes, you are feel free. You can try something more as well. Definitely, and people are doing it. Okay. And if you will see here, this person is trying on Azure. Okay, why using 8084 in the URL? You have to open the port number 8384. Some people are here, some people are here. What they did, you can open a meeting. An issue is happening 5:48, 5:51. Within 1-2 minutes, meeting has been open. Okay, people are connected to the meeting. Okay, some 3-4 students, and within how many minutes the issue has been solved? 5:59 meeting completed, and 6 p.m. the issue has been solved. Means 49 to 65 within 20 minutes, meeting also happened and issue also has been resolved. Guys, yes or no? Are you able to see something?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you feel like that our group or our bonding should be like this? Yes. And whatever the students are there, you can see everyone students are numbers are saved in my mobile. Everyone's student number is saved in my mobile phone. You can see this is my WhatsApp. Okay, if you want to connect with me on my WhatsApp, I'm giving you my number into the chat box: 999-344-5100. This is my WhatsApp number. You can message me anytime. Okay, you can call me anytime, not a problem. Okay, if I will add you into this type of WhatsApp group now, you will never, your all technical problem will get solved. See here, see here, how many things are happening every day. See, install Jenkins with var file. Do you know how to make the solution? How to install Jenkins with var file? Today we did the Jenkins installation with the help of image or with the help of Docker. Yes or no? And
Yes,
every
sir.
day, see, 7:55. Let's join at 8 a.m. IST. My classes are like this, okay? So whoever is the registered member, they are coming on the 8 a.m. and they are doing this discussion. See, successfully. If you will see the messages, at least 5-10 lakh extra package to you will get if you will read all these messages. 4-5 lakh 5 package to you will get it directly here if you will solve this type of problems. Okay, cool. Okay, so we have this type of groups. Okay, and we have a lot of learnings. Okay, cool. Can we come up into the Kubernetes? What do you say? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so before that, let me complete the syllabus as well. Okay, yeah. I will teach you the Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform. Okay, as well as I will teach you what we can say Prometheus, Grafana. Okay, because monitoring is also important. Right now we are into the module 5 virtual machine, Docker, and Kubernetes, and I will take you up to the experience level as well. Okay, yes, 3 years, 5 years experience will also be. I will cover up that practicals. Okay, if you will see my practical, some practicals especially for the experienced person. If fresher don't want to skip that session, you can skip that session. Okay, so it will be like that. And after that, Ansible module 6 is Ansible Terraform, module 7 Prometheus and Grafana. I will teach it, and I have a one more very good choice, the student choice day 45. You want to learn something extra like Splunk, AWS Lambda, YAML, AWS DevOps, Azure DevOps, migration, whatever you want to learn. We will make one choice in our group. Okay, whoever, whatever the people will say, Vikas sir, teach me this, I will teach that extra topic to you as well. Okay, means that will be an extra learning for you. Okay, and then module 8, Bash and Python for DevOps will come into the picture. I will teach that as well. And then we will perform 3 real-time projects. The first project on completely on the CI/CD, second project completely on Kubernetes, third project completely on the Terraform. Yes, if I will ask with you, how many AWS services names you know? How many AWS services names you know? How many AWS services names you know? 10, 15, 20? 1. Okay. How many services name? Aman is selling 2.
Around 10.
Priyanshu, 30 plus AWS services you know. Open challenge. Speak the 30 services name. Priyanshu, open challenge.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Okay, sir. So SageMaker and
1,
EC2,
2,
S3,
3,
and ECS,
4,
EBS,
5,
EKS.
6.
Mm,
You are very good. You are very good. Yes, 6. Done. Are it done? Yes or no?
Amazon Poly Transcribe
7, 8.
and
Done.
yes, sir.
See, sometimes speaking is very easy. Okay, I will develop in front of you 40 AWS services, guys. I will develop in front of you. I will develop with the help of automation in front of you. That is our project 3. We will develop the project 3 with 40 AWS services. Okay, that is a mind-blowing service. Okay, and your level, if you will say that you work into 40 AWS services, interview will say, man, yes, tell the names, tell what is the use. If you know that much also, it will be very, very helpful for you. Okay, but we will do the practicals and we will develop that type of project. Okay, which is a real-time MNC level project. Okay, plus assignment every Wednesday. You will give the mock interview to me, my team. Okay, unlimited mock interviews. There is no limit for that. Okay, to what all questions will come into the interview, I will give the question and answer also to you first. Okay, I will give you all the question and answer. You can read that question and answer, and then we will ask them. Is that okay? Are yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, because see, I want you to get prepared. Yes or no? I will give 20 questions first to you, and then we will discuss that 20 questions. That's it. If every week 20 or 30 questions you will prepare now, or 5 questions per day within 3 months, means in the 2024 500 or 300 technical questions will be get completed for you, and out of 300 only 10 or 15 questions will come into the interview. Yes or no, guys? Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
How many people are not agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Defense with me. And chalo guys, I have one more thing. After learning, how many referrals you need? Tell me. How many referrals you need? After learning, if you are confident, How many referrals you need?
2 to 3, I guess.
2 to 3. What about others? What about others? 5. Okay. Chalo guys, we are 25 sitting people here, right? Yes or not? 25 people are sitting here. Agree? Are yes, no?
Yes, sir.
We are 25 here and all 25 people are working in different companies. Means I can say 10 different companies you guys are working. Right? Every company has an opening. If you will refer one person, if one person will refer one person, how many referrals you will get? At least 5 to 10 referrals you will get. Yes or no? With the help of this group only.
Yes, sir.
So I will help you out with the referral sharing as well. Okay. You will refer your referrals sharing. Okay. I will help you out. Okay. Plus I will provide you 10 referrals, very good referrals. Okay. For 20 lakh, 30 lakh package also. Okay. And some referral for 50, 60, 70 lakhs also I will provide, which I have already provided in my previous batch. You can ask with me because I need a referral in Facebook, YouTube, Google, Amazon. I have all the strengths in my different companies. If you want, I can provide you that referral as well. Cool? Or yes, no? Teaching, mentorship, live interaction. I will give you all the things. Yes, no? Any question from all these things? If you have any question, I'm ready with the answers. I'm ready to take your all answers. Anyone? Any question? Or yes, no? No? Cool. Okay. Let's start with the Kubernetes. Okay. Next 30 minutes or 25, 20, 30 minutes, we will understand the Kubernetes and then we will make more discussions. Okay. When will be the batch start? Dhruv, my batch will start in 3 months because I'm also a working professional. Okay. And my all the batch recordings is in our LMS system. If you want to see the recordings, okay, you can come to my website, guys. Whoever is interested to see the recordings, okay. There is an option batch 36 which has been started 20th of August. You can click on the enroll now. Okay, as soon as you will click on the enroll now, you will be landed into this place. Or I want you to check the course free of cost. Okay, what you can do, you can come here in this batch 37 itself. Okay, and the next 4 days you can come free of cost. Okay, you can have a look. You can just click on the buy now 0 rupees and have a look into the take a feeling of the course. Okay, what all things will be inside it. Okay, so I'm giving you this link. Okay, and you can go inside it and yes, you can have a look into this part. 4 days free of course. You can come to my live sessions also. Okay, you can just message me on the WhatsApp. I will give you the classroom link. Kubernetes, we are going into the advanced level and not advanced level. We are going to start the Kubernetes from tomorrow itself, morning 8 a.m. So you are most welcome. Okay, and you will see how I'm teaching into the real-time classes. Cool. Dhruv has signed up. See, I'm able to see that Dhruv from the Mumbai has signed up for this, right? Yes or no? For the 0 rupees, guys. I'm inviting you. Just I don't need to pay anything. You can just join with the help of 0 rupees. That's it. Okay. And guys, what you are able to see inside it? Can anyone show me? Anyone want to share the screen? Dhruv or anyone who is joining with a laptop? What are things you are able to see inside it? Anyone want to share the screen? Yes, no. Fast, 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 fast. Dhruv, you are able to see all the things inside it? Yes or no? Dhruv, speak up. No, chalo, let me do it in front of you. Okay. I want some student to do it, but I don't know why students are not doing it. Let me do it. Okay. I'm opening my another profile, wiki profile. Okay, student profile. Okay, I'm going inside it. Okay, and I'm opening this in front of you. Okay, and as soon as you will click on this 0 rupees, okay, what will happen? Automatically you will be redirected inside it. Okay, and as soon as you will be redirecting it, okay, yes, as soon as you will be redirecting it, see, I was not opening because see, batch 36 recordings you will able to see, batch 37 complete package you will able to see, weekly mock interview sessions you are able to see, plus some more extra Linux or Python for DevOps extra sessions will be visible. Okay, so you have all the courses inside it, plus live sessions will be going to get start for the batch 37 as well, which you will able to see when the batch will be get started. Okay, this all things will be directly come to you. If you will come to this package, frequent job seeker club, you will able to join. Okay, you will be a batch 50, batch 35, batch 36 recordings you will able to see, plus Python for DevOps, everything inside it you will see. It's a single course where multiple things are already inside available for you. Okay, so you can have a look, you can click into this place and you can have a look for the batch 36 recordings as well, whatever you want to see. Okay, all the PPT recordings, whatever we are showing to you, everything is available in our LMS system. Guys, whoever has click on the 0 rupees, you are able to see everything. Yes or no? Are yes, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes,
please
sir.
confirm, please confirm.
Yes.
Right? And what all inside that, some weekend cues are there. If you're feeling that you are good into the cloud computing, handwritten notes are there. Yes, you can read this handwritten notes. Cloud computing quizzes are there. You can play the quiz. Linux command queues are there. You can play the Linux command queues. Linux command cheat sheets are there. Whatever you are expecting, whatever is required to make you the to reach you to 30 lakh 40 lakh package, we have put everything available. Okay, or previous batch recording, why we are giving to you batch, that is the current batch recording, because if someone want to run faster, you can run faster. Okay, or someone is telling, because sir I need a pack this job in October or November itself, you can run faster and you can get it. And someone is telling, because sir I have a time till December, I'm with you. Okay, I will run every day and this thing, so you can come to my live classes every day, we will learn everything. Okay, or automatically the recording will be available in our LMS system. Yes, no, all good? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and let's start the Kubernetes. Ready? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Start.
How we will, what will happen into the Kubernetes? Okay, it's a, I can say in a simple way, it's a game of pods. But the question will come, what is pods? Guys, who will give the answer? What is pods? Anyone here in this group?
Pods is like where we can store group of containers.
Good answer. Yes, multiple containers inside can be possible inside a pods. Yes, possible. Okay. Anyone else? Any other answer?
I don't know much about Kubernetes, but pods are something which allow you to run container isolatedly. Like
Very good.
they,
Okay. Separate containers we can run inside one pod. Yes, possible. That is a good answer. Okay. And that all things we are going to learn into the Kubernetes. Okay. Before that, I would like to take a quick revision of Docker. Okay. When I'm talking about the Docker file has to be written by the DevOps or developer people. DevOps engineer will build the image. Okay. DevOps engineer will upload this image into the Docker Hub, and operation team or production engineering team will take care of containers. Clear? Is that okay? This is clear for you, right?
Yes.
Who will do what activity? Okay. Don't feel that everything is done by the DevOps engineer. No, some things are done by the developer as well. Something has to be done by the operation engineers as well. I will teach you everything. You don't have to worry. Okay. We have to be aware about this thing. If we are not aware about this thing, we are not a right person to go into the Kubernetes. Okay. So we have to be aware about this. Then only you are eligible to go inside the Kubernetes. Okay. Cool. With the help of this image, guys, what you are able to understand for the Kubernetes? Can anyone speak? Go ahead, go ahead.
Kubernetes is running multiple containers from Docker and managing them.
Kubernetes can manage multiple Docker containers. Possible. Yes. Okay. And this is the steering. Okay. Wheel of the steering of the wheel. These are the multiple wheels can be managed with the help of single tool, that is Kubernetes. Okay. Before going into the Kubernetes, guys, you have to be aware about it. What is container? What is cluster? Okay. What is minikube? What is kubectl? What is kubelet? If you don't know this, you are not eligible to learn the Kubernetes. Okay. After this, after learning this, what are things you have to be aware? If you want to write the Kubernetes in your resume, you have to be aware about this: control plane, KTS API, port, replica set, deployment, services, namespace, volume, job, daemon set, stateful set. Guys, out of you 20, how many people and how much you are aware about this thing? Tell me in the chat box. 10%, 20%, 30%. This thing is important. Take the screenshot for this. Okay. Take a 10 days, 5 days time. Okay. Read all the definition, see the videos on the YouTube and prepare this. If you want to write in your resume Kubernetes, okay, you have to be aware about it. Some people are telling 20%, 30%. Okay, good. Guys, when you are able to say yourself that you are aware about 50% of this thing, then you are most eligible to go and write the Kubernetes in your resume. Okay, I will teach everything. I will take care of all the practicals. You don't have to worry. Okay, but I can't teach everything in one day. Okay, you have to give a time to me. Yeah. Node. If I will ask you the very basic question, what do you mean by node? Can anyone give me the answer? What do you mean by node? What do you mean by node?
Node is like
Node
multiple
is
node is like multiple machines where we run on containers.
no.
So according to me, it's a smaller part of a pod which allow us to manipulate content.
Dhruv, no, no, wrong answer. No. What is node? What do you mean by
Sorry,
node?
not small part, bigger part of the pod. Like in one node, there could be multiple pods.
Okay, wrong is still wrong.
Huh?
Sir, it is
Still wrong.
sir.
Yes, sir. In node there we can store multiple pods, and in pod we can store multiple
My
containers.
question is what is node? Yeah, your answer is kind of correct. I'm not telling 100% wrong, but my intention to listen something is different, which is the actual answer of node.
Yeah.
Good. Chalo, I will take one scenario, one simple practical, okay? Because I want you to learn with the help of practicals, okay? Theory, I will take 30% of theory, but I would like to take 70% or 60% of the practical. Docker playground, okay? There is a playground here, okay? I will teach you all this accounts creation free of cost thing, guys, okay? I don't need any, this all things are free into the market, okay? We can use it, okay? I'm coming into the Docker playground, I'm here. Guys, can anyone tell me virtual machine creation is how many clicks will be required to create any of the virtual machine node? How many clicks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just give me the answer into the chat box.
Sir, maximum 5.
Right into the chat box. Right into the chat box. How many clicks will be required? 5. Okay. What about others? 5, 5, 5. Others. Guys, we are 20 and I feel that you all 20 are interested to make your package double. Okay. Whoever don't want to make the package double, they already left. Yes, very good. Yes, 4. What about others? 4. Okay. Done? Or anyone want to say anything else? How many clicks will be required? I teach this 4 or 5 clicks. Can I say one more thing? See, at this point, the option is coming add new instance. I'm just doing a one click. As soon as I did the one click, what happened? My one virtual machine or my one node is done. Just a one click. Guys, is this stuff?
How did you do this?
I'm not a magician, I'm a technical person. Okay. Guys, see my screen again. This is node 1. I'm just clicking here, add new instance. As soon as I click here, node 2 is already done, created. Guys, you got my point? Yes or no? Only one click is required to create a node. Now the question is still pending. Because sir, you are requesting for the instance and why node is coming? Because sir, you are requesting an instance means you are telling that create a virtual machine and why node is coming? Guys, give me this answer. Give me this answer.
Both are same only. No?
Then 2 lakh package and 20 lakh package is same. No, right? There is a difference, guys. There is a difference. 5 lakh people
Inside
or
a
2.
node, we can run an isolated service or application.
Yeah, don't go inside it, guys. See, there is a difference between 2 lakh person, 5 lakh package person, and there is a difference between 50 lakh person, package person. Okay. If you are telling it same, means 50 lakh package person is of no use. Okay. He has a knowledge. That's why he's sitting on the 50 lakh, 40 lakh package. Answer. No, all silent. Now my turn. Okay. I requested for the instance and the node is coming because I requested for the virtual machine and he is giving a node because he is installing the Docker inside it. He is installing some application inside it. If any of the application is installed in the virtual machine, that time we will call as a node. Guys, got my point? If any of the application or software is installed in the virtual machine, that time we will not call as a virtual machine. If empty, if nothing is there, that time we will call as a virtual machine. If something is installed, then we will call as a node. In your company, servers are called as a node, not virtual machines. Are you agree? Yes or no?
But first we need to create virtual machine and
Correct.
after that
First you have to create a virtual machine. If anything is installed inside it, then it will call as a node. Then don't call as a virtual machine. If you are a 2 lakh, 5 lakh package person, that's fine, acceptable. If you are a 20 lakh person, don't say a virtual machine. It's a node. Got it?
got it.
Okay, guys, there is a difference between 2 lakh package person and 20 lakh package person. Okay, cool. Now I requested for the virtual machine and it is coming as a node because Docker is inside and some software is installed inside it. That's why we will call as a node. Okay, cool. Node. Now, have you seen this movie? Have you seen this movie, Minions? अरे movie यार.
Not.
Why are you are not watching the movies? Anyone here in this group? No?
Yes, sir, we have not paused. If you will plan, then we can watch.
I will give a link. Okay, you guys can watch. Okay, that is possible. Okay, or one Sunday I will start in a Zoom meeting. You can watch. Okay. Okay. What else? Guys, anyone know? Okay. Chalo. Anyone knows the concept of this movie? Because this is something related to, I would like to give an example to you. No? No one knows the concept? See, these are the minions. This is some master person. Whatever the command he will give, they will execute or they will perform it.
Master node and others are bots.
Master and others are slave workers. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Master has a brain. These are the slaves. If master will say go and die, the nodes will go and die because nodes don't have the brain. Virtual machine don't have the brain. We have to put the brain inside the virtual machine and we will call as a master. Got it? Yes or no? And if we will connect all these things, we will call as a cluster. Guys, this is my hand, okay? And this is the palm, okay? All fingers are connected with each other, right? With the help of this palm. That's why we will call as a cluster. Yes or no? Agree?
So with the help of cluster, we can connect with multiple nodes.
Correct. Yes. All multiple nodes will be get connected and then we will call as a cluster.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. Good. Okay. I will teach all these things. You don't have to worry. Okay. Cool. Regarding the Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration system, or you can say Kubernetes is an open source container management automation system completely or designed by the Google and maintained or developed by the CNCF. Designed by the Google and maintaining by the CNCF. Have you heard about the name CNCF ever? Yes, no? No?
No.
No, no one?
No, sir. Answer.
Guys, you are not into the technology, okay? CNCF, I will show you, okay? I am the core member of CNCF, okay? I'm just opening my Insta, okay? And I will show you something, okay? In the Instagram, I just posted like this. This is my CNCF team, okay? In this CNCF, okay, what exactly it is? When any of the application is open source, okay? If any of the application is open source or maintained by some open source tool, okay, or like there is a team, this is a team, these are the people working for their namesake, okay? If any of the company is working for the namesake, that is a part of the CNCF and Kubernetes is currently maintained by the CNCF. If you will see the logo, not logo, something, yeah, see, this is, if you will see here, Kubernetes logo is there, okay? Welcome to the Cloud Native Foundation program, okay? So what exactly it is, there is a CNCF community, okay, who will maintain the open source tool. Do you feel that Google has developed some software and Google will run free of cost entire life? No, right? Google will not run free of cost. Yes or no? Google will say, I need some money to maintain this or to run this. But there is a organization, CNCF, who will say, okay, we don't need money. We need a name and fame. People are working into this community for the name and fame, and it is maintaining all the open source tools. Got it? Kubernetes code is written into the language Go. Are you aware about this thing? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Can you guys give me the link of the Kubernetes? Where is the available? Where is the code available? Can you guys give me the link? Give me the link where the Kubernetes code is available. Okay. If you don't know, if it's open source, all the code will be available into the GitHub. Okay. Kubernetes GitHub. Just type, go to the Google and type Kubernetes GitHub repo. If you will go here and you will get to know one repo. Okay. In this repo, Kubernetes code is available. And if you will come down, around 3000 developers has written the code of Kubernetes. Okay. 3700 different contributors has written the Kubernetes code, and it's written 97% into the Go language, and some other percent shell is 2% and other percentages are like this. Clear how this calculation is happening? Can anyone give me this answer how this calculation is happening?
Sir, there is PowerShell is 0.2%, Docker file, make file.
Thinking know how the calculation is happening. This is my question.
No idea.
It is happening automatically. This is a feature of GitHub. Okay. I will teach the Git, GitHub, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform, Prometheus, Grafana, Python. I will teach all these things. Then only you will become a DevOps engineer for 30, 40, 50 lakh package. Okay. Cool. You have to learn a lot of things. Okay. And let's come here. Kubernetes is initially developed in 2014. Okay. 10 years ago. And it is developed by the Google. So Kubernetes on the Google Cloud is very, very mature, but Kubernetes is available in AKS, Amazon Web Services, EKS. It is available in Azure as well. It is available in Google Cloud as well. But Google Cloud Kubernetes is very, very matured as compared to another. Okay, cool. We have to learn these things in the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, API server, control plane, kubelet, proxy, container, DNS, and you will learn this thing in my tomorrow 8 a.m. session. Okay, and we have to learn all these things, guys. Okay, what exactly the Kubernetes, how the architecture of Kubernetes work. Okay, what exactly the container orchestration and features. Let me come up into the features dialog. Okay, guys, I need your help little bit. Can you please help me out? Out of this image, how many keywords you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Around 10, 11 keywords are there. Out of the 10, 11 keywords, how many keywords you are aware? Just give the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 10. I will explain you everything. You don't have to worry. I have to take care of all the practicals as well. Lucky is telling 0. Lucky, not good. What about this? These are the features of Kubernetes. If someone will ask you what is the features of Kubernetes, you have to give this answer. Others. 3, 2, 4. Okay. What about others? Cool. Okay, chalo. Now I get the answer. From the English meaning self-healing, right? What is the English meaning of self-healing? English. No technical answer. I need English. What does it mean by self-healing?
खुद से ही खुद को ठीक करना.
Correct. Yes. Something has to be get fixed with the help of by own. Kubernetes has this feature. If any of the container pod get any issue, Kubernetes will try to fix by own. Okay. Automated rollback. What do you mean by automated rollback?
Going to the previous version if any misconception.
If any issue or any problem happen in the current version, automatically he can go to the previous version. Very good. What is mean by auto scaling?
If the traffic has been increased to the website, it will scale it automatically, horizontally or vertically.
Good, Dhruv, good. Okay, if the traffic is more, servers will get increased automatically or resources will get increased automatically. That is auto scaling. And in the Kubernetes, self-healing, automated rollback, auto scaling, load balancer is just a one click or not even one click also. Guys, some features are not even one click also. Okay, what do you mean by load balancer?
It will distribute the traffic.
Very good. It will distribute the traffic. Okay. If any of the if you are running a high availability application, multiple things are there. Okay, multiple web servers are running, so the traffic has to be get distributed with the help of load balance. Very good answer. Okay. What do you mean by deployment?
Deployment is like if any application is ready, then we have to deploy those application or something upload or prepare or
Means from
server.
one environment to another, it will go. That is called deploy.
Yes.
Scheduling. What do you mean by scheduling, guys?
Scheduling the task.
Yes.
Scheduling the task, yes, possible. Okay, means at the particular time, if you want to do that activity, that is called scheduling. Scaling. What do you mean by scaling? Increasing, right? Load
So
balancing,
what increasing?
increasing of the resources.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh, got it.
resources. Okay, load balancing, distribution of the traffic. Batch execution, guys. What do you mean by batch execution?
No idea.
Executing the things like together, like more than one task is executing at once.
No, no, ulta. If something is very big, divide into small part and then execute. That is called batch execution.
Okay, got it.
Okay. If something is very big, some activity is very big, say let us assume I have to teach lot of things. I cannot teach in one day. So what I did, I distribute my this knowledge, my 15 years of knowledge in 55 days. And I will teach you small every day. You will able to digest and you will able to do. That is called kind of batch execution. Okay. Rollbacks. What do you mean by rollback? Previous version, right? Yes or no? Monitoring.
Monitoring is continuous. Monitor the things that
Continuous checking of the servers.
yes,
Okay.
everything is working fine or not. If any issue, then it will solve by on.
No, no, not solved by one. It will give the notification to the L1, L2 monitoring team. They will fix it. Okay.
Sir, what is self-healing?
See, self-healing is some problem. Not see, self-healing is not like everything will be get fixed. Okay. We need an engineer. Okay. Something is possible which can be achieved in self-healing, but engineers are always required. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, these are the features of Kubernetes which we have to be aware about it. I will take care of everything in my classes. Okay. Cool. And we will discuss Kubernetes cluster, master slave configuration, nodes, control plane, and so many things. The architecture discussion. Even in the tomorrow class, we will go and discuss the Kubernetes architecture as well. Okay, how the architecture works, the flow of architecture, and so many things like that. Okay. Cool. And we have to understand the Kubernetes command, kubectl command, what is node, what is port, volume, node process, okay? How the node has to be created, how the network has to be created, IPC, UTC, and so many things. It's just a 10% or 20% of the Kubernetes. Still 80% Kubernetes is pending. Pods, services, varieties of services, replica set, this how this has to be achieved, deployment, stateful set, case studies of Netflix. I will teach you how the Netflix works. The case study of Netflix also I'm going to teach you. Okay, but practically in one day it's not digestible, not possible, right? So you have to come if you are interested. If you feel that Vikas can help you out or Vikas can teach you all these things, you all are welcome to my batch. Cool? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It will take so long.
Right? Yeah. What you're telling, PK?
For learning the whole Kubernetes, it will take so long.
Correct. It will take time. Okay. And I cannot give you all these things in one day. Otherwise, it will be a bouncing bag. Okay. I want you to understand the things. Okay. So I'm taking into the small parts. Okay. And guys, whoever is really interested, you feel that you want to come to my batch. Okay. I'm inviting you to my batch. Okay. You have already joined with the free. Okay. Not a, that's good. Okay. But as we have to spend the time, I would like, there is a charges for this. Okay. And this is all in one course. You will get learning, lot of learning inside it. What all things you are going to learn, I'm going to show you one more time. Okay. It will be helpful for you. If you will go and learn from anywhere, okay, whatever I'm going to deliver to you, okay, just give me a moment. Yeah, if you will go and learn anywhere, AWS, minimum they will charge you 10,000 rupees. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? Yes, no. Right?
Yes, sir.
If you
Yes.
will go and learn Google Cloud anywhere, they will charge you minimum 8,000 rupees. If you will go and learn DevOps anywhere, they will charge you 12,000 rupees. Projects, they will give or not, I don't know. But if you will ask the project, they will charge you 5,000 rupees and they will give 1, 2, or 3 projects. Okay. I'm also giving 3 major projects with 30 practicals I will perform. If you will go and ask the training certificate, they will provide or not. But if you will ask them, they will charge you 10,000 rupees and they will provide. I'm providing you unlimited mock interviews, which no one will able to provide you in 5,000 rupees, but we are providing the unlimited mock interviews until and unless you are satisfied with us. Okay. Or until and unless you will say, yes, sir, I don't need a mock interview. I will go for the live interviews. You can go for the live interviews. Until that time, you will go and give the mock interviews. Okay. Extra topic, no one will teach you, but we are going to teach you including everything. I will teach you how to create a resume. We will teach you how to create a Naukri profile. We will provide you the referrals, job opportunity, and what we can say, community related help. If you will go and learn all these things anywhere, minimum 65 to 70,000 rupees. Are you agree? Yes or no? How many people are agree?
Yes, sir.
How many people? Just type agree into the chat box. Yes or no? Yes or no? Only 2, 3, 4, 5 people. Yes, guys, we have to pay because see, I have learned in my 15 years of experience. Okay, my 15 years of experience, I'm going to deliver in the 2024 itself. Okay, but I'm ready to provide you all these things in the cost of 25,000 rupees. Okay, for the 2 batch, not only 1 batch. You are going to learn for the 2 batches. Okay, means my current running batch where full access you will get it, plus the next batch, the batch 37, which is going to be start after 25 days. Okay, and that batch also completely you will able to explore. You will able to complete run from the day 1 to everything. And why I'm inviting you in the middle, because I want you to learn the Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, and Ansible double in the live classes. If you will learn this thing, because these are the strongest part, if you will learn double into the live classes, your level will be very high. That's why I'm inviting you in my current batch 36 plus my next batch 37. Both the batches you will get it in the price of 25,000. 2 batches in the price of 25,000 rupees. Okay, this is the price for this if you want to continue with my next 55 live sessions. Okay, plus as you are sitting into the workshop, so because there is any workshop discount, yes, definitely there is a workshop discount as well. If you will come to my website, there is already a 25% discount code is showing over that, that is known as the workshop. Okay, so you can just click on the buy now and 25% discount will also be applicable on this price. Okay, and you are most welcome to my batch. For the 2 batches, full access you are going to get. And I'm giving you this link. Whoever is really interested, I'm giving you this link into the chat box, and you all are welcome to my batch. And I'm taking the guarantee that whatever I'm telling, that all things you will get to be what, because we are the community, not a training institute. We are the community, and you will get all these things, whatever you are telling, because my previous batch, all the last day recordings are available. Or if you are not satisfied, no need to worry. Okay, you can come to my tomorrow class free of cost and see everything. Meet the real-time students, everything. The students which are the batch 36 students, you can see and you can meet with them, everyone. Cool. Yes, no. Yes, no, please. Cool. So guys, how many people are coming to my batch? Straightforward answer, yes, no. If no, tell me the reason, because we are not coming, because this is the reason. Go ahead. And if you are coming, you are the most welcome. Go ahead, Dhruv. What is the question? I'm ready to take all your questions. Now the only 16 people are there. I'm ready to take the question. Dhruv, definitely you can pay in EMI. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, I'm giving you direct EMI option to you. Okay, the fees is 22,000 rupees. You can pay 11 now, or after 11 you can pay when your batch is going to get started. Okay, is that fine? Are yes, no? Is that okay? Are yes, no? Dhruv, speak up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 11 you can pay now, or 11 when your batch is going to get started, that time you can. That is also fine for us. So guys, whoever want to come into the EMI, you can come into the EMI as well. The fees is, actual fees of this batch is 35,000 rupees. For one batch, you are getting in 22,000 rupees, two batches, because you are sitting with me from the last 2 hours. That's why. And that is only for 5 people. Okay, I don't need much people because already registration is happening in our batch. If you will see, I will show you already 6 to 7 members already came to my batch. I will show you batch 37. Okay, batch 37. See, batch 37 Pradeep, some students are on Nilesh, and all these are batch 37 student. Batch 37 registered member. If you will see here, already from the referral, I means 10 members are already in my batch. Okay, so total count is coming 15 because 5 are the admin person. Okay, Akansha is the admin. Okay, Arpit is the admin. Okay, so 5 are the admin from my team. Okay, rest 10 members are already registered with us, and their learning is already started. And my means, see, we are giving the discount because we want a serious early bird offer. You are getting an early bird offer for the best. So whoever is really interested, want to continue, you are feel free to continue with my batch. Go ahead, guys. Question and answer. Go ahead, go ahead. And if you have any question related to this, yes, recording will be provided to you. You are getting a 2 batch access. We will add you into the WhatsApp group. You can discuss, communicate, everything. Okay, morning, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. I see the class will happen. That is the best time for the learning. Okay, or if you have any question, feel free to ask. I will give you, I will ready to take your all technical questions as well as the management questions. And I'm showing you something. If you have any question, I would like to explain you step by step as well. Okay, what will be the prerequisites, what resources you need, who can attend, why you have to attend, what is the batch detail, why cloud DevOps Hub, FAQs, job roles, syllabus, benefits, placement offer price, everything I would like to explain to you. Just ask with me. Go ahead, guys, ask with me. Guys, go ahead, ask with me. Dhruv, Preeti, Ashwini, Lucky, Miracle, Pinky.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Whatever the question, guys, feel free to ask me. Because I'm going to deliver my 15 years of experience. That's it.
No question, sir. Everything is clear.
Cool. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you. Preeti, what's your plan? You want to come to my batch? You want to learn with me? No comment, no answer. That's okay.
You are asking with me.
Huh?
You are asking with me.
Yeah, I'm asking with you. I'm asking with everyone, not only you. Guys, go ahead. Anyone has enrolled? Ashwini, Chaitanya, Dhruv, Govind, Lucky, Miracle, Sadeep, Siddiqui, Pooja, anyone? Yes, no one is. Dhruv, yeah, go ahead.
Sir, I'll enroll by the end of the day.
Okay, Dhruv, that's fine. Okay, but guys, see, whatever the offer I'm giving you, okay, that is only applicable by today. That's it. Okay. If you will come from the website, okay, the price will be 35,000, and we are removing this workshop code, okay, after this workshop. Okay, the workshop code is only applicable till the workshop is run. Okay, and we are going to finish this workshop in the next 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm just starting the timer. If you have any question, feel free to ask with me. Else, in the next 10 minutes, we are going to wind up. And you are most welcome. You all are 11 people are most welcome to come to my tomorrow 8 a.m. session free of cost. You don't have to worry. Okay. You all are welcome. You don't have to worry. Okay. Because you are sitting till the last. So I want you to come in the tomorrow session. Okay. Cool. Just message me on the WhatsApp. This is my number, guys. 999344510. Just message me on the WhatsApp. I will give you the link for the tomorrow session. Fine? Are yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, still we have a 9 more minute. If you have any question, let me know. Ask with me. Feel free to ask the question. Lucky, no question. Okay, cool. What about others? You know, the live streaming was also happening on the YouTube. Okay. So I will just stop the streaming.